Malamal Weekly. Watched it. It is so funny.
Before Midnight is the only film जहाँ आप कलेश देखते हो.
That one was very like realistic. हम ऐसे चीख के नहीं लड़ते हमेशा. We are always fighting slightly passive aggressive, slightly like eyes are going here and there.
Severance. You don't like it? थोड़ा patience लगता है उसके लिए. You know you have
हाँ
to
मैं
get it.
कितनी देर तक देखूं तुम्हारे चलते चलते व्हाइट हाउस फ्लोर पे मैं कितनी बार देखूं.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Vaibhav Munjal podcast. My today's episode is with Eda and Karima who run a film podcast जिसका नाम है Why Are the Curtains Blue. और आज हमने इस podcast में भी बहुत सारी फिल्मों की बातें करी हैं and आपको एक दो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें पता चलेंगी इस episode के through because of the polarizing opinions we had about a lot of films. So let's jump right inside the episode. Do subscribe to Vaibhav Munjal podcast and let's begin. Hi Eda, hi Karima, how are you guys? Welcome to my podcast. मैंने बिल्कुल प्रैक्टिस नहीं की थी आपका नाम प्रोनाउंस करने की. मैं एक ही टेक में आ गया.
मैं गरिमा.
गरिमा.
करीमा.
Yeah.
करीमा.
करीमा.
करीमा और करीमा.
करीमा.
हाँ. So guys, फिल्मों की बातें करेंगे आज हम. आप लोगों का भी एक बहुत कूल पॉडकास्ट है Why Curtains Are Blue.
Why are the curtains blue?
Why are the curtains? मेरे तो है नहीं, आप लोग देख सकते हो.
इसलिए लाइटिंग अच्छी आ रही.
Yeah. But do you guys think we have we over intellectualize stuff as human beings?
No.
Why Curtains Are Blue का तो पूरा वही है ना.
हमारा
right
बहुत
तो
intellectual
हम नहीं बोल
नाम
सकते
है.
हैं.
हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं?
हाँ.
हमने इतना इंटेलेक्चुअल नाम चूज किया है तो ओवर इंटेलेक्चुअलाइजेशन तो नहीं है.
नहीं एंड अगर होता भी हो तो आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड थिंग. लाइक मीडिया एंड पॉप कल्चर के साथ ओवर इंटेलेक्चुअलाइज नहीं करेंगे तो और क्या करेंगे. देख के
हाँ.
फिर वापस घर जा रहे हैं हम.
हाँ.
सो एंड हमने पूरा पॉडकास्ट ही उसी के ऊपर स्टार्ट कर दिया है तो अब भी कान भी लाइक नहीं अच्छी बात नहीं है. So yeah.
अभी हम लोग बात कर रहे थे you like the before like poster.
Yeah.
Which is your favorite movie from the before trilogy?
We asked you first.
Yeah, you
First
tell
you
us.
say.
I have a script also of a Richard Linklater film, which is not either of these.
Boyhood.
उसकी पीछे एक किताब पढ़ी है देखो. Do you guys like Boyhood?
Love.
It was good, but I don't feel like going and watching it again and again. Like this one, I feel like going and watching again and again.
For the longest time, I used to like Before Sunrise, and then there came a time where I started liking Before Sunset. मेरी Facebook की cover photo होती थी longest time. अभी भी यही है कि baby you're going to miss the plane, and he says I know. It's the last line of Before Sunset.
Yeah.
So वो थी. और अब जैसे जैसे मैं थोड़ा सा बुढ़ा हो रहा हूँ and now I am in ऐसे stable relationship. अब मैं Before Midnight वाले phase में हूँ.
Oh.
हाँ, I think वो ये time to time change
हाँ,
है.
yeah.
मैं definitely अभी sunrise era में नहीं हूँ.
हाँ.
Sunrise का एक era आया था मेरा कि हाँ the novelty era
Yeah.
बात करते हैं and like कि क्या पता हमें भी
Bivlar.
कोई ऐसे विरार फास्ट में मिल जाए.
I think बहुत लोग का ये opinion होता है कि as they grow older, they like the first film, then
Yeah,
the second
yes.
film, then the third film. I think as a film, Before Sunset is just, you can't match that level
Yes.
of, 80 minutes. The whole thing happens in that much time. And these characters, हमने Before Sunrise में already देख लिया, so we understand them
Yeah.
a little bit. And then we see this film and it's like a nice recap
Yeah.
and it's like so much want, in
Yeah.
that. I think, maybe I'm not at the age of Before Midnight yet.
अभी कल you went to the Kullu show, right? I was the guest yesterday on his show.
Oh.
तो हाँ तो हम वही बात कर रहे थे तो हमारा टॉपिक था कलेशी फिल्म में.
अच्छा.
So I was talking about Before Midnight there because Before Midnight is the only film जहाँ आप कलेश देखते हो. उससे पहले everything is like all rainbows and sunshine.
Yes.
हाँ
That the third one is
Midnight.
Midnight. And उसमें हमें लगता है कि वो लोग हैप्पी एंडिंग है, उनके बच्चे भी हो गए हैं साथ में, दे गोइंग ऑन वेकेशन एंड
Yeah,
ऑल, फिर
road
क्या क्या
trip.
निकलता है उनके फाइट में.
मुझे
Yeah.
तो वही
It is-
पसंद है.
कौन सा
Third
वाला?
वाला.
Of course.
कि जहाँ आप कलेश दिखाते हो.
हाँ वो एक डिनर सीन में वो लड़ाई करने लगते हैं.
Yes.
एंड ऐसे भी आई थिंक आई लाइक वेरी स्लाइस ऑफ लाइफ मूवीज जिसमें द एंडिंग इज नथिंग.
Yeah.
Like I love those movies. So I think that one was very like realistic and also like the way that they were fighting was so. हम ऐसे चीख के नहीं लड़ते हैं हमेशा. We are always fighting slightly passive aggressive, slightly like eyes are going here and then. That's
And
how
you
they were
take the
fighting.
loss, you take the win, you
Yeah.
move on with life.
That's like okay, they met so romantically, but they ended up with a dinner fight. Like which is how all relationships end up.
Yeah.
No matter how beautiful your journey is. At the end, you're just that like,
एंड लाइक लड़ाइयाँ किसी भी बात पे हो सकती हैं. कभी कभी चप्पल ढंग से नहीं रखी आपके पार्टनर ने, लाइक इट कैन ऑल्सो लीड टू अ लड़ाई, क्योंकि फिर पास्ट की बातें याद आती हैं एंड इट जस्ट बिकम्स अ कैटलिस्ट टू ब्रिंग अप कि तुमने उस दिन मेरी मम्मी से ढंग से बात नहीं करी थी. सो या अभी आई मीन
well, personal.
and just giving an example, before midnight is the zone I am in, but sunrise has affected my life a lot. Like it has like really given me happiness. और एक पूरा phase आया था कि मैं तो बिल्कुल I swear by the film.
Yeah. I've had like experiences like that, like
Ah.
right before sunrise, I would say.
Were you the Ethan Hawke or the Julie Delpy in the experience?
No, I think I was Ethan, to be honest.
Sorry?
I was Ethan, I
Ethan,
think,
yeah.
because I was the one who was traveling, I would say, and I didn't feel so much like a local. I mean, she was also not a local, right?
she wasn't local.
But I don't know, like something about her, she was more comfortable where she was, and Ethan was the
I
one.
think she had been there before, and she was also from Paris.
That's true.
So
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. He was from further away, maybe literally.
हाँ.
But it was like, it's like I had that experience in Goa. And it wasn't as beautiful because Baga beach itna beautiful nahi hai. Kachra pada hua tha aas-paas. But this guy was named Ethan. Like his,
Are you kidding me?
yes, like it was his stage name. He was a musician. But hi Ethan, if you're watching.
Karima has a thing with musicians.
I used to, okay, I moved on.
To what? To what? Okay.
Playback singer, I don't know.
But yeah, he sang like Can't Help Falling in Love on the Beach for me. And we met like last year while walking in Colaba Causeway, and he was with his girlfriend 10 years later. And he was like, you look just the same. And I was like, you too. And I walked away. It was so sweet. Like and then after that, I watched the movie. So then I was like, wow, okay, this felt close to that.
मेरा भैया इस सीरीज के साथ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है because you know before trilogy में the first film I watched it wasn't before sunrise.
Sunset.
No.
Midnight. That's
Because there was a college senior and like we hadn't spoken in a while and उनका last day था and बहुत टाइम बाद हम एक दूसरे मिले and she realized कि I love talking और थोड़ा वो उनको मेरे अंदर का extrovert देखा and she's like well you should watch the before series and I think Richard Linklater is your guy. And then I told my best friend Dhruv, like मेरा एक friend है दिल्ली का Dhruv, उसको मैंने कहा ये he's like तेरे को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आएगी, तू तेरे को देखनी है तो तू Before Midnight देख. Then I watched Before Midnight, I'm like कुछ भी समझ नहीं आया मेरे को. And but I realized this is very interesting कि गाड़ी चल रही है, पीछे बच्चे सो रहे हैं और ये आधे घंटे तक का एक सीन चले जा रहा है. Then मैंने देखी and then I stopped trusting Dhruv's recommendations. You are तेरे को पता नहीं है कि हम इसने recommend कर दी होती है because Before Sunrise was a film which technically changed my life like in a lot of ways.
and you can't watch Midnight without watching
Yeah,
the rest. How
obviously.
would you even?
Yeah.
There's nothing.
Dhruv,
Yeah.
man, like yeah.
Dubious stuff.
So give us one friend shout out guys जिसकी आप recommendations बहुत seriously लेते हो. It can't be you guys naming each other.
Oh.
I was gonna say. No, I was not.
Yeah. Oh.
No, obviously, but it's
Oh,
obvious.
yeah, that's true. That's true.
मैं 3 लोगों का नाम लूंगी
Done, let's
क्योंकि
go.
एक ग्रुप है मेरा स्कूल फ्रेंड्स का. वर्तिका, शोविक एंड आर्यन. मैं उनके ओपिनियंस बहुत लेती हूँ, उनके साथ फिल्म्स भी देखती हूँ एंड वी ऑलवेज डिस्कस फिल्म्स. सो दीज 3 people.
Oh, let's go.
My Calcutta friend Deepto, he is the one who made me watch How I Met Your Mother also. Although my first ex-boyfriend from high school, he's the one who put it on a pen drive and then I watched it.
हाँ.
And then Deepto is the one I think who, like, we formed the knowledge of pop culture together growing up. So, हमारा match हो जाता है उस हिसाब से. So when he says to watch something, I know it will be great because he'll just get where my brain is at in life. So yeah, that's a love Deepto.
Nice.
She's doing Masters at Oxford now, so
Wow.
just like you better trust him.
So the script I have, Blue Moon करके एक Richard Linklater की
अरे
series
मैं
है.
कल देख रही थी.
Oh.
Yes, literally.
Recently आई है फिल्म
Yes.
जो
Last year आई है.
he got nominated.
Yes, he got nominated for best actor for this.
Hmm.
और इसमें मेरे ऐसे the notes दिखेंगे like
Oh wow.
like
Wow, Vaibhav. What a nerd.
हाँ मतलब थोड़ा
I
सा.
love it.
So because it's about like 2 friends who used to work together professionally and one is now making it big. On the first project they didn't work together on together. and now the other guy is very jealous and he's sitting at a bar कि भाई मेरे साथ उसने काम नहीं किया, and Ethan Hawke is the guy जो
Who's not making it big. Yeah,
it big.
yeah.
And you know the guy who made it big, Andrew Scott.
Really?
Yes.
Love Andrew
So आप अभी देख Sherlock opportunity where
नहीं
Andrew Scott comes in. So it's about Ethan Hawke's jealousy to Andrew Scott की पूरी लाइफ साथ में काम किया
हाँ.
and हम ठीक कर ही रहे थे, बढ़िया फेमस थी, बट अब ये मेरे को छोड़ गया and now he's doing solo things and he's
Yeah.
making it big.
And what, they're filmmakers?
No,
So-
they are musicians.
Musicians. Okay.
एंड रियल लाइफ पे बेस्ड है ये, तो बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब मेरा एक फेज आया था जब मैं बीच में लिंकलेटर की फिल्म से एंजॉय करना बंद हो गया था. आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइज रिलेट टू इट कि व्हेन यू लाइक स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग एन आर्टिस्ट सो मच कि एक टाइम आता है कि अब कुछ साल नहीं करना. लिंकलेटर का मेरे को सब पसंद आता था एंड देन बीच में उनकी कुछ फिल्म्स आई थी विच आई एम लाइक कि अभी मेरा जोन
क्या
है.
था, एक तो ग्लेन पावेल के साथ आया था ना,
यस वो अभी आई थी हिटमैन.
Hitman. Yeah.
हिटमैन वाज अ
Just,
फिल्म
there was something unique in it, but it wasn't
Yes.
like
But it wasn't like your like OG Linklater.
Exactly.
तो वही मेरा था. बहुत टाइम बाद फिर एक ऐसी फिल्म आई which was like the OG Linklater.
ब्लू मून मैंने ना आधी देख के मैंने रोक दिया
हाँ.
कल रात को, because I think starting में it was very, I think I need to be in a specific mood to watch something like this. It's not that I can't watch slow movies. I love slow movies, but it was just so much dialogue in the start.
Yeah.
And it was hard to be invested in it without knowing who he was. I was like, why मैं क्यों सुनूं तुम्हारी बात, क्योंकि मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि तुम कैरेक्टर क्या हो, कौन हो, कहाँ से आए हो. And he was just giving opinion after opinion, hot take after hot take, and I was just like, I don't know how to be invested in this enough to hear him out.
But I think इसमें वही है कि वो जोन सही हो, because I think हम सबका, for it I'll speak for myself, when we are watching something on laptop वगैरह हमारा फोन हाइजीन बहुत गंदा होता है, right? कि फोन आ जाता नहीं. थिएटर की सबसे बड़ी बात यही है कि you
It
are
locks you in.
there, you
Yeah,
it
yeah.
locks you in, it locks you in far more easily.
Yeah.
आज की डेट में लोगों का थिएटर हाइजीन भी फोन का बहुत गंदा है, right? आंटियां
I know
full
बहुत
brightness
खराब होता
पे
है.
और
मतलब
बच्चे रो
I
रहे हैं.
have started to enjoy going to the theater much more now. For the past 3-4 months मैं देखती रहती हूँ कि क्या आने वाला है, क्या आने वाला है. But my patience for people around me has gotten so bad.
Yeah.
But also क्योंकि उनका कॉल आते रहता है, वो लोग ले भी लेते हैं कॉल, बोल रहे कि अच्छा मैं पिक्चर देख रहा हूँ.
And light on हो जाएगी बीच
Light
में.
on हो जाएगी.
Exactly.
क्यों करते हो?
एंड और इतना हाइपर फोकस कर पाते हो क्योंकि आपको उनकी रीलें भी दिख रही है, आपको दिख रहा है वो
हाँ.
करिमा की रील दिख रहे हैं और वो
हाँ,
सारे
मुझे आवाज आ रहा है
हाँ
उसका.
मतलब यू
That's so
uh,
true.
but
पहले
then
डर जाते थे लोग. They would be
अब
embarrassed.
डर
I know,
नहीं
पर
है.
मुझे ये भी लगता है कि पता नहीं, मैं शायद जब 4-5 साल पहले जाती थी, कोविड के पहले जाती थी, मेरा पेशेंस शायद ज्यादा था कि अगर कोई बच्चा था और रो रहा था या कोई बात चल रही थी, I wouldn't get that distracted or I wouldn't get that angry. But now, even if it's not to do with phone, if it's like someone's discussing something, I'm like, what the hell?
Maybe you're older now. That's why.
बट लाइक इट्स अ गुड, आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड प्रॉब्लम टू हैव. और मेरे को लगता है थोड़ा शेम करना जरूरी है इसके लिए.
हाँ.
बहुत फैल गए हैं
मैं
लोग
ऐसे कर
यार.
देती हूँ.
हाँ बहुत ही ज्यादा फैल गए हैं लोग.
पैर भी डाल देते हैं.
Yeah,
Fancy
that
पे, I've
behind
seen that,
you,
it's
yeah.
disgusting.
कुछ
अपना
होता है
जूता
ना जो
निकाल
पैर
के पैर
डाल
डाल
के
देते
उनका नंगे पैर उनका
Exactly, फिर यहाँ से आता है. And you're like,
बहुत कुछ चल रहा है भाई, कोई रोकने वाला नहीं है.
क्योंकि वो पीछे वाली सीट लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ लेना पड़ता है क्योंकि
it's because of these
Yeah.
things. Yeah.
I'll come back to Link later, but since we are talking about theaters right now, what are some of the changes which can be made in theaters, not in films, so that more people go to the theaters? हम ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं?
Popcorn prices, snack
true.
prices, it's insane.
700 रुपए क्यों ले देगा?
I know,
popcorn,
700, 800.
4-digit number 1040, and I'm like, what the?
Yeah, and you bought your ticket for at the most like what,
500
500, yeah.
Max. Yeah.
And then your prices for your snacks is so much, and obviously people enjoy eating like popcorn or eating something, and it's, I think वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है.
in fact, people should just be allowed to take their own snacks. I think it's a dumb rule to not be allowed to take your own snacks. Like, let people enjoy it. It's not that deep.
मेरी theory है, tell me what you guys think about it. मैं ऐसे Shark Tank में pitch करना था, but मैं यहाँ कर देता हूँ कि I think theaters should start showcasing shows. And if you can book theater for a day and you're watching like 10 episodes, binging complete seasons, and because we don't have an attention problem, we still binge like 10-hour things, right? It's just that we don't stick to the structure of a film. हम उसकी बीट्स को लेके इतना कंफर्टेबल नहीं है कि अरे 2.5 घंटे की फिल्म में नहीं, उसमें हमें ब्रेक्स चाहिए। शो हम देख लेते हैं ना।
नहीं यार, पर शो में भी हमें पॉज करना है, हमें कुछ कुछ करना है, फोन पे जाना है, वो सब तो है ही।
हाँ।
I feel like a very big thing that dissuades people to go to the theaters that 3 घंटे की फिल्म है यार, you know it's a very long film। अगर शो देखते
Yeah.
जाएंगे yeah
बट मेरे को लगता है कि और ये
लेकिन
कहीं
वो-
ना कहीं हो रहा है, ये सम लाइक कुछ थिएटर्स में चालू हुआ है शोज वाला। यूएस में आई थिंक कुछ ये दे आर लाइक ट्राइंग, क्योंकि आईपीएल भी दिखाते हैं आजकल थिएटर्स में। दे आर फिगरिंग एवरीथिंग। अगर आपको शादी ब्याह मुंडन के कोई वीडियोस
हाँ,
दिखाने
ये
हैं,
सब भी
they are
कितना
giving-
Rent
giving-
theater
rent
should
कर
become
सकते
more
हैं।
normalized,
Yeah.
maybe.
फिर उसके ऊपर बाद में हो कि लाइक कि आपके पॉडकास्ट को कुछ दिखाना है, हमें दिखाना है,
हाँ,
हमें
जैसे
कुछ
हम
कोलैब में
3
दिखाना
देखे,
है।
हमें कोई मूवी देखनी है, हमने बुक कर लिया।
Exactly.
We call
कि we
7
do-
other people.
We do a rerun of all the
Yeah.
Big Four trilogy and then we
Yeah.
come and speak
Correct.
about
and we'll
it.
call people for that।
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then वो करते हैं लोग।
But it's
But
so
it's-
inaccessible.
But
It's
in the
Bombay
in the
bit.
bigger theaters, it's not happening. It's happening in
Sunny
small.
Super
Yeah.
Sound. वहीं
नहीं
होता है।
नहीं,
Sunny Super Sound नहीं
पीवीआर
होता
में भी
था।
हो रहा है। हाँ?
I think people underappreciate like how Sunny Super Sound is keeping indie filmmaking alive.
100%. It's so cute. वहीं हो रहा है बस जो हो रहा है, और कहीं नहीं हो रहा है।
उनका थिएटर भी बहुत ओल्ड स्कूल है। It's like a
Cute
very
types, yeah.
A quick Linklater trivia कि आप लोगों को पता है there is a Linklater film coming out very soon which he started making in 2019 and you know when he is releasing it?
What?
29.
2040. He's releasing it in 2040.
What?
What
Because-
is it? Following some person again?
Yeah, 3 people. This time following 3 people.
अच्छा,
And
like boyhood.
like Boyhood, he gave 12 years. For this, I think he's giving 21 years.
Lovely. I like when artists get their own
Yeah,
time.
I like कि उसकी dedication और audacity देखो भाई.
और वो ऐसा नहीं है कि बस वही फिल्म बनाएगा 20 साल के लिए, और भी बनाएगा, but he's like
More artists should be more indulgent with their art.
Yeah,
Bro.
They have become very
वो
real
डरे
about
डरे रहते हैं भाई वो.
I also think there's no patience in any type
Yeah.
of creativity. They want like outcome right now.
हाँ.
कि कितने views आ सकते हैं, कितना पैसा मिल सकता है. Patience also creates really good.
Even production houses, when they give you feedback on a script, they expect you to come up with it immediately. Like, relax, this is a process.
Yeah. अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ, आप दो ना वो बुक पीछे बॉयहुड वाली दो, like yes, इतनी सुंदर बुक है. These are the things I gift myself. No one gives these to me because I'm like कि इतना तो मैंने करा है कि. So this book is if I may 1 second. इसमें सिर्फ फोटोज हैं of like 12 years में how
Oh, wow.
they had kept a photographer कि कैसे बड़े
Got
हुए.
to be him.
Yeah, and then सबका एक पेज की पेट्रिशा आर्किट को कैसा लगा था to work with Linklater and some of their favorite dialogues. This is insane. मतलब
Yeah, wow.
You imagine if I some quarters that you used to do laundry in. Oh, so sweet. Like little tidbits of
like little tidbits.
what adulthood will.
और मेरे को ऐसी चीजों में पैसा खर्च करना बहुत पसंद है
ना?
कि मतलब
इसके पास भी है ऐसी, मेरे
Yeah,
पास
this is
बात तो मेरे पास ही आ
one
गई
of
है.
my favorite all-time dialogues. Everything, what's the point? I mean, I sure as shit don't know, but neither does anyone else. Okay, we are all just swinging it, you know. I mean, the good news is you're feeling stuff. You gotta hold on to that. You do. You get older and you don't feel as much. Your skin gets tougher.
अरे 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 दोपहर हो रही है. दोपहर में तुम ये सब मत
हाँ,
फील कराओ.
इसमें इनका एक पेज है जो मैं दिखाता हूँ. डैड आया ना तो ये भी बहुत है. एक तो यार ही सच अ पोएट यार, इथन हॉक. आई डोंट नो
Yeah.
आप लोगों ने इसके इंटरव्यूज
बहुत
देखे
ज्यादा
हैं?
है।
that
Interviews, it's-
what was that interview with the chicken shop girl?
Oh, yeah.
You're the sun, the grass
Yeah.
doesn't wait for the.
Oh yeah, the one in love always wins.
Oh yes.
That was so beautiful.
So Ethan Hawke is another big rabbit hole that like people can go in and they'll never be disappointed.
Yeah, there's so much that he's done, even in theater and stuff like that. You know, he keeps working on himself without looking at, I want to be the biggest star in Hollywood.
He once said in an interview, acting is all just about activating your subconscious. आपका पूरा गेम ही आप अपनी subconscious किस लेवल पे एक्टिवेट कर पाओ so that you are in the present moment and you don't have to think about anything. I kind of try to apply it in podcasting. कि अगर मैं सोचने लग गया करेमा ने ये बोला फिर मैं ये बोलूंगा तो कितना वो लगेगा, तो I'll never be in the present moment. You just let go of everything, subconscious activate हो जाए and then let things happen.
Letting go is the toughest thing for, ironically.
Yes, it is the toughest thing. So it's like this is the goal and this is where you reach that place.
This is sounding very like Bombay में workshop हो रही है.
हाँ.
Acting workshops where everyone starts crying.
अब आपको अपने मम्मी को कॉल करके आई लव यू बोलना है.
Oh God, really? ऐसा होता है?
ये होता है.
Dad को call
हाँ,
कर.
डैड. मैंने तो बोला ही नहीं जरा पापा को बोला, अभी भी नहीं बोल पाया मैं.
Have you been hugged by your father before? Like it's really
एक दो और क्रेजी चीजें होती हैं. Imagine you're a मोमबत्ती.
Oh really? And then you're like ऐसा जल रहे हो आप,
हाँ,
melt हो रहे हो,
Yeah.
ऐसा?
What are some other prompts they give? Very like,
उसकी मार्लन ब्रांडो की स्टोरी है कि दी एक्टिंग एक्सरसाइज दे गिव हिम कि न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब फटने वाला है एंड यू आर अ चिकन, सो नाउ रिएक्ट टू दिस. सो सब लोग भाग रहे हैं इधर उधर को, सब आवाजें कर रहे हैं. मार्लन ब्रांडो फ्लोर पे लेटे और सो गए. दे केम एंड आस्क्ड हिम कि भाई क्या कर रहे हो, यू आर अ चिकन, न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब फटने वाला है. हाउ आई एम अ चिकन, आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स अ न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब. कि मैं
Fair.
hence he's Marlon
Yeah,
Brando.
seriously.
Yeah, actually.
But I think all these things are important also because you have to get your embarrassment out of the way.
ये बहुत सही
जितना
है.
करना है ना कर लो so that you can do anything then.
Yeah, I think that's the
100%.
the purpose of that really serves.
ये मेरे को आप दोनों से जानना है because I was never good at like talking and मेरा तो बहुत मजाक. मेरे को एक बार इंग्लिश के मेरे मैथ्स के टीचर ने बोला था तुम्हारी आवाज बहुत बेस हो रही है. मैं
Were you
आप
singing?
मैथ्स की बात करो ना. So, उनको नहीं, मैं गा भी नहीं रहा था.
बात कर रहे थे.
I was talking to my friends and he's like, I don't like the way you talk to your friends.
Why?
It's irritating.
उनको अलग से बज रहा था. उनके दिमाग में चल रहा था तो मुंबई नहीं आ सकते भाई. So I don't know. मतलब मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ since all three of us are doing podcasting and like we are doing a lot of type of content creation. आप लोगों की वो शर्म अब चली गई है या अभी भी ऐसा होता है कि शिट कैमरा उठाना पड़ेगा? Or are you guys now at a stage where you guys are very confident about showing your faces?
मेरे अंदर तो कभी शर्म थी नहीं.
Nice.
बचपन से ही नहीं थी.
Really?
actually. Yeah, I've never felt
It has been easy for you.
Yeah. I've never felt differently. Even when I used to go up on stage for elocution and all that also, I never felt differently on stage and off stage. Like there was no like.
ये हमें भी सिखा दो.
नहीं सीखती, मतलब क्लास 2 में था ये. So I was like, oh, this is nice or this is not nice. That's it. There wasn't like it wasn't that big a shift. Of course, my heart was racing slightly more, but it was more excitement than it was anxiety, I would say. So I don't know. Maybe मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं उतना deeply. You say?
I'm always shy. I don't think shyness is ever going to go. I'm a very shy person and
Yeah.
actually मैंने बहुत कोशिश की है for me to like get out of my shell to be okay at parties even or
And
talk
you've done
to
a
new
good job.
people. Yeah, I think I've become
Yeah.
much better. But even like now I'm shy, but I think again COVID की वजह से मुझे लगा मैंने इतना time waste किया है being shy, not doing things that I want to do just because I'm shy, that I'm just like, if I'm somewhere, I want to give all of it. And I'm very talkative. I'm shy, but then if I open up, then I become very talkative.
Yeah, then she's a
Yes. And so I think I just give myself that chance to be open, even if I can be embarrassed. It's fine. If I'm awkward, it's okay.
मुझे तो बहुत मेहनत लगी है बिकॉज आप सुनते हो ना फिल्मों में देखते हो कि हमारा ट्रॉमा ये है कि मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे लाइक पीटीएम पे नहीं आते थे. पापा आपको पता है मैं कौन सी क्लास में हूँ, ये बोलो. मेरा ट्रॉमा है मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे थिएटर प्ले देखने आ जाते थे और मेरे को था कि यार मेरा एक ही डायलॉग है, व्हाई आर माय पेरेंट्स हियर, आई एम फीलिंग सो ऑकवर्ड, मम्मा घर जाओ. So I kind of got good at speaking because in COVID when my parents would fall asleep, मैं जयपुर से हूँ, मैं जयपुर like it's my hometown. After 2 AM I would start live streaming and एक दो लोग देख रहे होंगे because I know मेरे parents नहीं देखेंगे because I know they are also they like me, I would like to believe so, and they would want to see how am I doing. So I did at least 1,000 hours of streaming.
Wow.
So that I could बोलना तो आए.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
क्योंकि मैं तो वहां से स्टार्ट किया है कि बोलते कैसे हैं.
But that's dedication because you wanted to do it.
Yes.
So वो भी था, you always had it then if you could do 1,000 hours of
नहीं
live.
बट वही है ना, फिर वो महेश कमलेश रात को जब सिर्फ 2 लोग आपके स्ट्रीम देख रहे हैं और वो आपके हाइप मैन है कि नहीं भाई वो कितना सही कर रहा है, तब अलग वो चीज
But
है.
then why did you want to do it? Like what was that?
वो तो चुल है ना, मतलब
हाँ
कि
भाई,
फिल्मों
कहाँ
का
से आई? Because of films.
Yes, because of films. I have also done elocution, but I wasn't as cool as you because मैं स्टेज पे गया खुद, मेरे को वो पोएम याद थी बट जब वो इंट्रो देना होता है, हाय आई एम वैभव, आई एम फ्रॉम 7G, मैंने उसमें हक दिया और फिर मैं ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ, फिर एकदम से मैं वो पोएम सुनाने लग जाता हूँ.
Okay,
Yeah.
हमारे में नहीं था वो introduction. Maybe I would have stuck that.
और वही यार, आई थिंक आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रॉमा ऑफ टीचर्स एंड रिलेटिव्स. ऐसे पेरेंट्स तो बहुत अच्छे हैं यार मेरे.
हाँ, that's also a
Teachers,
factor.
it's very under like rated how much your teachers influence about the way you think.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
suck, then you're gone.
Yeah.
My Mrs. Wheatley was the reason, I think, and one Mrs. Mahajan, they were the reasons I think I was so confident in elocution also. I wasn't even supposed to be selected for it, and then they were the ones who were like, she seems like she emotes a lot with her face. So let's try her. And I was just like, okay. And then I learned the poem that I didn't even make it to the audition. My mom made me learn the poem. She stole the poem from well, not stole it. Like she took it from my friend who was already auditioning. And then she made me learn it. And she was like, just go and perform it. So I think it definitely depends on the
People
kind of
around you,
people
yeah.
you are around. Yeah, yeah.
और अभी भी I'm very, like you said, I am not a natural at this. बहुत मेहनत लगती है अभी भी stage पे ले जाओ, and I'm like, भाई, this is tough.
Yeah, even I like to put myself in a position where I have to, I'm very nervous, but I put myself in that position because it's fun also.
Yeah.
You know, to be nervous but still go up there and talk and stuff. Like in 11th grade, I had become president of my school, and then I had to make the
President of
announcements.
school.
Like head girl.
Yeah, but there was no boy. Like it was just president, one person.
know this. Why?
Karima, I've told you many times. I was president. But
आप लोगों ने कितने पॉडकास्ट किए साथ में?
और उससे पहले हम लोग
दोस्त भी हैं काफी
बहुत
सालों से।
सालों से दोस्त हैं।
First time.
नहीं, मैं तो बोलती हूँ ये सुनती नहीं है तो मेरी गलती नहीं है. बट एनीवे मुझे बहुत अनाउंसमेंट्स करने होते थे, या जो भी मतलब एनुअल डे में या व्हाटएवर, एवरी वीक कुछ ना कुछ होता था जहाँ मुझे स्टेज में जाके अनाउंसमेंट्स करने थे. तो आई यूज्ड टू रियली enjoy it, and I know that my friends are like looking at me and like smirking or like waiting कि अगर मैं कुछ भी wrong बोल दूँ उसका मजाक उड़ाएंगे. But then you know that is what got me to the place where I'm like, it's fine, I'll just go out there and I know I can do it.
So if I have to ask you guys, which is easier for you individually, is making reels easier or doing podcast is easier?
Podcast.
Podcast is easier for you?
I don't know. Neither like is easier, I don't think. But now I think because the podcast is new to me, it's easier for me. Reels have been doing for like 6-7 years. So sometimes I'm like, मैं और क्या बोलूं, मेरे अंदर है कुछ बोलने लायक अब बचा है. So then I'm like, yeah, podcast is more fun. Also because you're talking about something different, something that's not yours. A reel is very individual and about your own. Because I don't do like reviews or I don't talk about anything else. I'll do a sketch or I'll do like a whatever. So then it's easier for me to talk about something that's not my own art, I think.
I think streaks have really helped me in this. Like just building a streak of doing something every day. So I started recommending one thing every day and I have a cool streak now. Can you guys guess? मैं कितने दिन से रोज की एक रील recommend कर रहा हूँ?
300.
Hmm.
600.
900.
That, wow.
Yes, I think
Every day. You've not broken it.
no. And I recorded that day. This I don't have it recorded for today.
That's insane.
I started Diwali 24.
ये हमें सिखा दो. Consistency तो
नहीं, ये
मुझसे
तो
नहीं
फिर
होता.
yeah. हमें बहुत एफर्ट डालना पड़ेगा.
Yeah. No, we are very like मस्ती के लिए we are doing.
मैं भी उसी के लिए करता हूँ, but हाँ, it has also made me more confident कि you can like think of ऐसे कोई trivia याद आ जाए कि यहाँ पे ये हुआ था, वहाँ पे सही में पर्दे नीले थे, फिर कुछ भी आप कर दो फिर ऐसे याद आ जाता है.
Yeah.
Because वो last पे जो stress होता है ना, I think I like the excitement of it कि you really have to think of something.
Very ADHD coded.
है ना?
Yeah. Deadlines make you more excited.
Yes.
Yeah. Makes you hyper focused.
आपको भी है क्या?
Yeah, yes. Diagnosed.
Let's go! Okay, so which is a film that you guys have seen in recent times that you really, really liked?
I watched
Something.
one yesterday. My Life as Courgette. My Life as Zucchini. It's a claymation.
Oh my God,
movie.
really?
Yes, it's a French movie, and it's so beautiful. I was a wreck in the afternoon. I watched this. It's about a child who without giving away too much because I would really love for y'all to watch it. It's on YouTube also, and this child goes into like an orphanage kind of a situation, and they all are kids who have not had the best lives. and just the way that they deal with it and the making of the film when I watched it. They've actually used puppets and then they got children to come and enact the scenes out. It wasn't voice acting only. They were actually doing the scenes. And so even the everything was part of the scene. And so it was just so beautifully done as for an animation movie, like animated movie, which somehow I feel like animated movies sometimes deal with life much better than
100%, bro.
it's just so somehow so far removed and so into it at the same time that it and it's actually the English translation is my life as zucchini because that's what his mom used to call him. So he just goes by zucchini in the whole film. And that's a whole different story why he goes by zucchini. But best movie I've watched in a very long time. Yeah.
Yeah, and I do agree with the animation thing क्योंकि Inside Out नहीं बन सकती अगर लाइव एक्शन में होता तो both the films are amazing. वही ऐसे वो फिर कहीं भी जा सकते हैं उनका वही है कि अब सिर्फ थॉट पे काम करते हैं हमें नहीं देखना कि कौन वैनिटी वैन में बैठेगा या नहीं हमें वही थॉट में they lock in.
Yeah.
They lock in.
Yeah. Because आप कहाँ अगर आपका eyelash comb नहीं किया गया है तो फिर वो stop कर दिया scene को. Then you lose the rhythm.
And there are certain things that you can't show in real life because what is it? Na? Someone's thought of how, okay, in Inside Out, an emotion plays is so different to like, you know, how will you show how an emotion is on screen? You can't show it in live action. You have to make something that then will make other people also understand what you're seeing in your brain.
Yeah.
You know, I feel like surreal films sometimes, which are so out of reality, sometimes are more real
Yeah.
because it's like.
And they don't cosplay the sadness. Like this is literally a story about an orphanage. Very easy to tip the line of becoming pity and you know, like we are all watching it from this lens instead of this equal lens. Animated movies make it more human in some way. I don't know. It's like dehumanizing sometimes to watch a story about tragedy that plays into the tragedy more than the story
Yeah.
itself.
And it's so interesting जैसे हम जो बात कर रहे हैं Inside Out में भी every emotion that they chose अब उसके लिए वो वॉइस एक्टर भी कौन सा लाएंगे जैसे फॉर सैडनेस दे गॉट लाइक द ऑफिस में जो फिलिस को लेके आए उसका कलर ब्लू होगा सैडनेस का एंड लाइक
Maya
all-
Hawke was for anxiety, I think.
who was it for the in the two जो bear में भी थी like she was also one of the Iowa Debris was for one is huh नहीं there was no jealousy there was envy but like she wasn't for me एक बार ये check करके बताना Iowa Debris was also there
Love her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And she was good. I think few of them are.
I can see her as that. I can.
Yeah, somehow. Yeah, makes sense.
Oh, she was envy. I wouldn't have guessed.
yeah
Yeah, also like nostalgia में को
oh there was nostalgia वो दादी आती है कि तो मेरे करण अर्जुन कब आएंगे फिर चली जाती है भाई
I love that nostalgia was its own separate emotion though.
yeah bro I live and breathe nostalgia
Yeah.
Makes me very anxious. Nostalgia.
it makes me very happy
I mean, it can make me happy also, but sometimes it's like I'm sitting here and then I remember something that has happened perhaps in the same location or in the same feeling from 10 years ago and I get so anxious. I don't know how to explain it. I get really anxious.
what about you
I also live and breathe. And like I'm nostalgic right now about this. Like,
क्यों आ
thinking
गई
about it.
हम
No, and I think because I'm from Calcutta, I love to talk about being from Calcutta any chance I get. But it's a city of nostalgia only. Whereas in 2004 all the time. There is no progress in that.
वहाँ ऐसे रीडेवलपमेंट नहीं हो रही ना जैसे बिल्डिंग को तोड़ के नहीं बना दी सो एक वो भी है like the buildings and everything the
We really
colors
hold on to it. And it's not in a regretful way. Like we
It's in a
really love
beautiful
it.
way,
Yeah.
yes.
My grandfather was going to the same restaurant that I am going for my birthday.
hazy
So I like nostalgia. I think it's beautiful to live in the past sometimes.
yeah and I do it more than मतलब मैं तो sometimes नहीं मतलब every time ही उसमें रहता हूँ so it has to really help me so we were discussing आपको अपनी फिल्म बतानी है one film that you really
I watched Sentimental Value. Have you watched it?
yeah
I've not watched it, but
It's
I've
amazing. I loved it. There was just so much honesty, I think, in that film. You didn't like it?
हाँ
Kalish number one there. Let's go.
अभी तो बहुत प्यार से बात कर रहे थे हम लोग.
No. Why didn't you like it?
I love the last scene. Like, I loved it. I loved the parts. I think कि फादर डॉटर कन्फ्लिक्ट एक ऐसा होता है कि अगर आप लाइक इजी जॉब भी करोगे बट सिंस ऐसा है ना कि द फादर वाजंट प्रेजेंट, ये एक ऐसा इमोशन है दैट यू कैन गेट अवे बाय नॉट even doing the best work. मेरे को sentimental value में ये लगा because I love worst person in the world and
I love it also, but I like sentimental value more.
I love worst more and Renette Reneve is
Yeah.
I love her. Like I was so happy. I wanted her to win the Oscar for best. Like I like her winning than like my more than my hate for the film. मैं चाहूंगा इसको अभी भी दो.
Hate for the film.
हाँ,
You hated
मतलब-
the film.
No, I love the last scene. I love the last.
It's good. I know you will like.
Like everyone loves it. It's a very very unpopular opinion.
But ऐसा नहीं है, उसमें इतना ड्रामेटाइज नहीं किया गया है.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना, इसलिए मैंने लैंड नहीं करा. अब वो जब जाते हैं कॉफी पीने भी जाते हैं, यू कैन सी जब वो बोल रहा है कि मैं कास्ट किसको करूंगा वगैरह, एंड यू कैन सी शी इज फीलिंग माय फादर वाजंट देयर फॉर मी, बट इट इज नॉट रीचिंग मी. एंड आई नो every person on the set is so talented that they have it in them for it to reach.
I don't even think it was my father wasn't there for me. I think it's that if I put myself out there, he's going to disappoint me. Like he disappointed my sister. You know, she only acted with my father because she wanted to be close to him. And I also have that urge, but she was disappointed and I don't want to be disappointed. And I think उसकी life में कुछ है ही नहीं, कोई है ही नहीं. So she feels like if I become so close to someone that I do love and they will leave because everyone has left, then I'll be even worse than I am right now.
Very interesting. I didn't think of it this way. Yeah. Elle Fanning is also there. in
Elle
it.
Fanning.
I loved all the scenes of Elle Fanning. I loved like वो जब बीच पे भागते हैं. Again one of the scenes I loved the most apart from the ending of it. तो but overall मेरे को वही है कि worst person तो मेरे को बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. And the whole Oslo trilogy is also by this
I've
guy.
not watched. I've only watched these two films.
Yeah, so sentimental. But like people, I love how much it is doing for the world.
Yeah.
कभी कभी फिर मेरा होता है, इसलिए मैं बहुत पब्लिकली बोलता नहीं हूँ इस चीज के बारे में, बट वो तो बात हुई तो हमने मतलब
Yeah, ठीक है.
हाँ.
He's
Everyone
not
likes
like
some
other
things and everyone-
boys. He's not like other boys.
So yeah, and what about a show that you guys watched recently that you really like?
Well, not recently, but I loved The Good Place. I was rewatching
Have you seen
it.
all of it?
Yeah, I've
Oh,
rewatched
lovely.
it also. I think it's the perfect show.
It
I
is.
just
It
think it's
really
perfect.
very good. Gives you that good feeling.
हाँ, अब मैं
And
कितनी
fun.
बार मैंने recommend कर दिया है सबको.
And कोई देखता नहीं
कोई
है.
नहीं देख
कोई
रहा है.
नहीं देखता है.
क्यों करते हैं लोग
Yeah,
ऐसे?
मुझे भी ना बहुत सारे लोगों ने recommend किया था, फिर मैं बोली कि I have nothing to watch. Then I
Yes.
watched it. I don't know why it doesn't pull you in like that.
No,
But the
actually,
the poster and all somehow.
हाँ, you have to really watch the first season for you
Yeah.
to.
And
Or
then
like,
you're like, what the hell just happened? And then you're hooked.
मेरे को जितना याद है मैं सीजन 1 के कुछ एपिसोड्स देखे एंड आई लाइक दोस, बट मेरे को लगा था कि ठीक है, आई गेट द आइडिया, इट्स अ गुड प्लेस, बट आगे कैसा होता है, मतलब इट्स रिवॉर्डिंग.
It's the
very
biggest
rewarding.
twist, I feel.
you've not
of
watched
any
the
show.
twist yet.
No.
I guess.
Then you must.
We
watch.
can't talk more then.
Yeah.
You must watch. We cannot talk about it.
ठीक है, so
Sorry.
good place is one recommendation. What about the other?
I've been watching Hacks recently.
Hey, let's go. Which season are you on?
The newest season, season 5. And I've been enjoying that. I've been watching Your Friends and Neighbors. It's also very fun.
Ted Lasso was really awesome when I was depressed. I think Ted Lasso really helped me. Shrinking also to an extent. But
I've seen a few episodes of Shrinking.
yeah, I think the last season didn't do it for me that much. But maybe, once again, my friend only, he was like, maybe the reason was because you were watching it weekly instead of binging it. So you didn't like it as much because they're 30-minute episodes. And sometimes that does impact how you view a show. Like when you binge it versus when you actually follow it. Like हम पुराने ज़माने में जब हम देखते थे actually shows जैसे ऐसी आती थी हर हफ्ते. That versus like binging it is very different. I think that has changed my opinion on a lot of shows inadvertently.
I think even shows like Severance. And you guys watched
Yeah,
Severance?
I
I loved it. You didn't like it? थोड़ा पेशेंस लगता है उसके लिए, you know. You
हाँ,
have to
मैं
get into
कितनी
it.
देर तक देखूं तुम्हारे चलते चलते व्हाइट फ्लोर पे. मैं कितनी बार देखूं. अरे यार, एक उसका बाल
Good
ऐसे
Place
गिरे
भी तो
जा
same
रहा
ही
है.
है ना.
हैं?
गुड प्लेस भी तो सेम ही है. एक ही जगह पे
No.
चल रहे हैं लोग.
एक ही जगह पे चलने पर
It's
कुछ
all like-
हो रहा है. Not the I once
थोड़ा टाइम
again.
लगता है, थोड़ा टाइम लगता
I
है.
love slice of life. I love when nothing is happening in a
Yeah,
scene.
Severance is not slice of life. Right?
It's not.
Yeah.
It's just it felt once again too overindulgent with the, like, I get that there was a lot of production that was paying for a lot
I
of.
know आपके पास एप्पल का पैसा है.
हाँ जी, मैंने मुझसे नहीं हो पाया.
I really like the season 1 finale of Severance. It is an episode that I'll never forget. It among the top 20-25 episodes of any show that I've ever watched. वो जब he's holding the door and everything.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Season 3 I couldn't sit through. That's what I'm saying.
2, right?
Two. Sorry, yeah. Oh, there's only 2 seasons.
हाँ.
Yeah, so that I was fast forwarding a lot of scenes, I think, which is,
You
I
know,
know it's
also there was so much
sinful,
time
but-
between season 1
ये
and
एक बहुत
2
बड़ा issue है
that you
लोगों.
forgot.
Oh,
इतना
no,
कुछ होता है ना, you were not as
And ये
invested.
dense words के साथ होता है थोड़ा कि टाइम पे लाते रहो
फिर वो भूल जाते हैं
नहीं तो लोग भूल जाते हैं and लोग फिर रिकैप भी नहीं देखते उतना लेट ढंग से. इवन दो दे ट्राइड, उन्होंने ढंग से दिखाया था सीजन 2 में, स्टार्टिंग में रिकैप दिखाया था. बट या, डू यू गाइस लाइक शोज मोर और फिल्म्स मोर?
films.
व्हाट अबाउट यू?
ऐसे नहीं पिक कर सकते. I feel like I in general films, but then there are some shows that are my backing, you know, like I need to watch it sometimes. The Office I need to watch. How I Met Your Mother I need to watch. So those things are way higher than any film for me because it's
Too
just
much
comfort.
commitment for me to watch a show, I think, sometimes. Like, yeah, like me, but if I'm invested and I love it. But it's very hard now, at least, for me to get that invested. पहले हो जाता था because of our attention spans, I'm pretty sure.
Another show that needs a lot of patience is Dark. Have you watched Dark?
या, डार्क सीजन 1 आई एम करंटली वाचिंग.
Oh
मेरा
my
बहुत डिलेड
God.
है.
But it is so rewarding. All 3 seasons. It's so rewarding.
I-
Has anyone watched Dark? You didn't?
बट लाइक इट्स मतलब एवरीवन इट इज, लोग बोलते हैं क्रिस्टोफर नोलन भी वो देख के
हाँ,
सीखता
हाँ,
है.
100%. It's like somewhere else.
I have seen 1899, the
Oh,
show
the
made
show
by
that
the
they made
Kissing
after,
Creator,
yeah.
and the cancelled it, dude. The season 2 of it.
अच्छा शो था
बहुत
इसलिए वो.
मतलब मेरे को विश्वास ही नहीं हुआ they cancelled it. You have
I've
seen
not
it?
watched. I've not
बट
watched.
डार्क मेरे को देखना है, आपको बताऊंगा. लाइक डार्क इज उसको माना जाता है कि यही है भाई, कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी यही से इन्वेंट हुई है.
I feel like I was very rewarded by it. मैंने भी ना बहुत बार I watched the first episode 3 times because I left it. And then again COVID, so I just watched and
तो एक और चीज
So you tell, but
हाँ
movies or shows?
हाँ, I like both. I think I slightly like shows more than movies.
Oh.
Yes. And I think I want to, as I progress in my career, I want to direct more shows than film.
Interesting.
And हम भी जो हमारी फिल्म बना रहे थे उसमें भी मेरा लास्ट में हमने सोचा इसको फिल्म के जैसे रिलीज करते बिकॉज इट हिट द स्वीट स्पॉट ऑफ 90 minutes. सो आई वाज लाइक कि 4 एपिसोड करें या एक वो करें देन एंड इट्स लेजिट सीन्स फ्रॉम अ सिचुएशनशिप. सो वी आर लाइक कि वी कैन गो अदर वेज. मेरे को डिसफंक्शनल रिलेशनशिप्स बहुत पसंद है.
Huh?
I love blue is the Valentine. Blue is the warmest color.
Christoph something उसका क्या नाम है?
उसमें है ना ये आप एक्टर का नाम बता रहे हो?
Director.
नहीं, डायरेक्टर आई थिंक इज अब्दुल लतीफ कशिश. इट इज उसमें ली सीडक्स है जो बॉन्ड गर्ल भी थी एक
Okay.
टाइम पे. हाँ.
Yeah.
आप लोगों ने देखी होगी या इसके वो सुने होंगे आई फॉलो रिवर्स, एक गाना है जो आप लोगों ने सुना होगा. सो दैट इज अ फिल्म दैट आई रियली लाइक. शोज में ड्रामा में सक्सेशन इज माय फेवरेट.
Nice. I like Succession.
हाँ, तो मेरे जयपुर वाले घर में हर कमरे के बाहर कैंडल रॉय का एक पोस्टर है.
Only
Every Kendall Roy, but like in a different mood.
Why Kendall? Kendall is your favorite?
Yeah.
He was the best actor. He was the best actor in that show.
No, but I forget. Kieran Culkin.
हाँ, so people, he won by the way, best actor for last season.
Ha.
Emmy for best actor for the
He
last.
was awesome.
I'm a Jeremy Strong fan, dude.
He was very good. The character is very entertaining and all, but Kendall, he was just an amazing actor.
Kendall
I
got.
feel.
Of course. They were all amazing. Shoban,
Everyone
Yeah,
won an
yeah.
Emmy, by the way.
Yeah, yeah.
Everyone won the Emmy.
fair and deserved.
हाँ.
I
But
think
for me-
Kieran was the most like him, a little bit.
Ah, that's also true.
That's the only thing, but it's not fair to say that. But
Jeremy Strong, the guy who played Kendall, उनकी range इतनी ज़्यादा. He is playing Mark Zuckerberg next in Social Network 2.
with Andrew Garfield as Sam,
Andrew Garfield, I'm not sure कि वो second part में है या नहीं. It's directed by Aaron Sorkin.
मुझे लगा they are making this AI वाला Sam Altman.
नहीं.
नहीं,
Social
this is
Network
Social
2 में
Network 2
Mark
with Mark
Zuckerberg का,
Zuckerberg.
but Jesse Einsberg is not playing
Yeah,
Mark
fair.
Zuckerberg.
Yeah.
Jeremy
Jeremy
Strong is
Strong is
playing,
playing,
and
and
it is
Aaron
written,
Sorkin's,
directed by Aaron Sorkin,
Yeah,
जिन्होंने पहले
लिखा
लिखी
था.
थी.
Chicago 7 उन्होंने direct
हाँ
किया.
हाँ. So it is coming because इनके ना political ideologies बहुत different है, and Aaron Sorkin को लगने लगे मैंने तो बहुत cool दिखा दिया उसको,
True.
like Jesse Einsberg को, और इनकी ना publicly Facebook पे लड़ाइयाँ हुई हैं दोनों की.
किन की?
Aaron Sorkin and Mark Zuckerberg, actual Mark Zuckerberg की. मेरे को कम आता है Instagram समझ, थोड़ा मिलेनियल हूँ वहाँ पे, क्योंकि कभी-कभी ऐसे में करो तो स्वाइप अप हो जाता है और रंग बदल जाते हैं.
अच्छा, the vanish mode.
Facebook, like I will like, did I do something?
Yeah, and it's so like weird because you're like, मैं ऐसा कुछ गंदा भेजने नहीं वाली थी. I promise.
And they come online and you're like, no, get off.
And it stays started vanish mode, ended vanish mode.
Bro, I was just invited Karima for a podcast.
अच्छा ये हुआ.
I legit moved my conversation with her from Insta to WhatsApp because nahi,
Yeah,
into-
it's confusing.
It's too bad.
Yeah.
We are just old guys. I think that's
yeah,
the-
and I have been an addict, so I have heavy blockers of. I pay apps not to use these apps. I have an app called Freedom which locks me out of Instagram.
And you have to pay for it.
yeah, I like to pay for it.
Oh.
I don't like to do remind me
I'd like
again.
to
or
clarify.
I like to pay.
This is not sponsored. There's another one called Brick where you have,
I
yeah, right? You have to go and take a picture of a brick. Only then will it allow you
What
to
are
open
you
the app.
doing?
Yeah. But what if you lived in a place
In a
that-
big house.
Yeah.
What if you have it in your gallery, the same
मैं
brick?
तो ईटा खरीद के रख लूँ घर पे. And then I'll keep doing it.
But freedom is like hardcore. I can't like bypass it. जैसे होता है ना normal तो भी एक phone कहता है, but you can bypass it कि चलाने
हाँ,
दो.
yeah.
I'm like I can't.
So
Like,
what if you have to post your daily thing?
so
And
team does. I don't.
Oh.
So everything is so yeah था. So जब आपको मैंने मैसेज किया था तब भी वो होता है कि टीम वाज लाइक डूइंग. तो मेरा सिर्फ सुबह 10:30 से 11 अनलॉक होता है और रात को 7 से 8:30.
1 hour.
2 hours total in the day. Yes.
And WhatsApp you have all the
अच्छा,
time.
2 hours.
हाँ.
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp I do. WhatsApp पे तो मेरे सारा
You'll have
work
to
हो गया.
communicate with
हाँ.
people. Yeah.
So it's like
That's really cool actually.
मैं तो नहीं करने वाली हूँ.
नहीं, मैं भी नहीं करने वाली. मैं तो बस appreciate
मैं तो मतलब मेरी हालत खराब थी. एक टाइम पे मैं देख रहा हूँ स्टोरी कौन देख रहा है, ये देख रहा है, ये नहीं देख रहा. It's like my dude.
It's really bad.
I don't know if you guys relate to it कि you start saying, ओ इसने मेरी चौथी स्टोरी तक देखा बट 5वीं नहीं देखा. मैं तो ये सब देखता था यार.
मेरा screen time actually नहीं, Instagram का screen time is like 3 hours. It's not that
मेरा
bad.
भी उतना बुरा नहीं है.
Hmm.
3 hours is,
Bad.
I don't know.
Seriously, not bad. People have like 8-9
Yeah,
hours.
people have really long.
Actually, yeah, compared to that, yeah, then.
But your job also na matters. Then you are posting
हाँ.
stuff. And, yeah.
मैं आप लोगों को और कूल चीजें दिखाऊंगा. आप मेरे को रेड वाली डायरी पास करेंगे करेमा.
Oh, what is
she'll
that?
love it.
Yes, it's a little cat.
I hope इसमें मेरे पास कूल चीजें. Oh yes, I have a lot of cool posters. मैं ऐसे posters निकालता रहता हूँ.
Oh, wow.
So this is Eyes Wide Shut.
Ooh, you printed these.
Yes. This is Slacker, Richard Linklater's first film.
Oh,
So
cute.
This is,
Who produced?
I don't know the producer, I just know Linklater made it. This is a film जो Bergman ने scenes from a situationship देख के बनाई. Scenes from a marriage. And then, yeah, I'll just put all these. I love this one.
Phantom Thread is a good. I really like Phantom.
The one we were discussing.
The art is also so nice.
Yeah. तो हम ऐसे पैसा खर्च करते हैं.
गई भाई है. Better than doing it on drugs.
This is a drug only, I don't know. like,
Obsession.
Yeah. They're definitely neurodivergent.
Oh, I like this one also.
Wow. As someone who is neurodivergent, you have a special interest. It's just to like, you know.
I watched The Shining last year and I didn't love it.
Oh.
Yeah. That's a very controversial.
I don't appreciate the horror.
Oh, you hate
आप जब भी ये बोल रहे हो, जब मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ, हमारी लाइक मिलियन वाली रील के हम पास जा रहे हैं. तो हमें ही
yeah.
I hate The Shining. What an awful movie. Okay.
मुझे उतना भी नहीं बोलना है
अच्छा अच्छा
बट
तो मैंने बोल
द
दिया
शाइनिंग मुझे लगा कि नहीं यार उतनी भी डेंजरस या हॉरर फिल्म टाइप नहीं लगा
हाँ जैक खेल भी नहीं रहा काम भी नहीं कर रहा व्हाई इज ही लाइक ऑल
क्या-
वर्क
क्या
मैं
हो
लिप
रहा है?
ग्लॉस लगा लूँ
Creepy.
कोई प्रॉब्लम I have never watched the
Horror
full
film only.
Shining only.
yeah so I'm also just like every kind of collection I like to make. I'm really into stationery.
Oh,
I have like every colored sticky
What's your
note
I
which is
saw
there
this
in the world,
stack.
yeah.
what's your favorite pens?
So do you guys know Sharpie के pens भी आते हैं? So
Oh.
people didn't know this. So I have bought the yeah. So these are Sharpie pens. You guys can give your autograph. अरे भाई साहब. Bro, I need to make my. अरे
तो
यार.
उसका बेटर है यार
मेरे से जब like कभी कभी like ऐसे कभी कभी होता है लोग people ask me for my autograph. I'm like dear Suman, keep watching films. Webber.
So sweet.
sweet
Yeah. I legit do this. Yeah, it's not like
yeah.
sassy or anything.
Yeah, it's
good
but it's very boomer. I don't know.
No, it's
it's
not.
nice I would also
She
do
would
something
also do that.
Because I keep watching films. मैं जब भी बोलता हूँ people get happy. So yeah, like keep watching films. Yeah, it's like my little trick. कि मेरी गंदी handwriting पकड़ में ना आए. Like
Sure.
Show
yours.
yeah, just शर्मा रही है बड़ा.
uh, mm, yes.
not bad at all
Yeah.
Kind of.
Just like
It's your name.
just like sentimental value.
Wow.
Okay.
मुझे अपने फिल्म ओपिनियन शेयर ही नहीं करने आए
After like
She walked past.
that's it
after like having discussed this, which Indian film do you think all three of us would like?
So many. We seem quite similar.
really you think we're similar
Okay. Lunchbox.
Lunchbox I love.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love a film जिसके बारे में आप लोगों ने भी काम वीडियो बनाया ओम शांति ओम.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, Om Shanti.
Om.
I love Chak De.
love Chuck
जब मैं
Love.
I even when I'm playing pickleball, I am and in doubles, I'm like, no matter what the player's name is, pass kar Preeti. Preeti, pass. मेरे को इतनी रटी हुई है एंड एवरी टाइम वी गेट अ माइलस्टोन इन चलचित्र ना मैं एक छोटा सा डालता हूँ एज कि आज हमारे 1 लाख सब्सक्राइबर है कुछ भी है तो आई एम लाइक एज प्रीति सबरवाल सेड बड़ी बात है मेरे लिए आई ऑलवेज डू इट लाइक नो
you love Preeti Savarwal what that's your favorite
I just
character
love that.
Said it
It's
4
a dog
times.
I just like love that dialogue like बड़ी बात है मेरे लिए वो बोलती है ना कि come be with the king तुम क्या अपना गुल्ली डंडा खेलोगी एंड वो
yeah,
उसका
yeah,
जो
उसका-
क्रिकेटर बॉयफ्रेंड होता है वो
नहीं,
बोलता है उसका रटी हुई है मेरे को चक दे
Girls will be girls also जो हम बात कर रहे
Girls will
थे.
be girls.
That also would be a
what
best
about some other like some
non-famous.
not so celebrated you know
Yeah.
all these are anyway celebrated
recommend me a not so celebrated Indian film
Karthik calling Karthik
I like it I don't
You
love it
love
but it
it.
was a special film
I love the songs
yeah great songs
But again,
great
like-
songs
अगर किसी ने फाइट क्लब देखी है
oh
तो उसके लिए वो ट्विस्ट उतना बड़ा है
मेरे लिए तो था पर
मैंने आज तक फाइट क्लब नहीं देखी है.
that is crazy
I should not be here actually.
No,
I'm
no, no.
leaving. Sorry.
नहीं guys edit
I
out.
had the script of Fight Club actually. It's like
Oh.
that type. Because I think it was one of the first really great films that I had watched. You know, like, oh, films देखना है मुझे.
I think
अच्छे
you'll
अच्छे
really
films,
like
yeah.
Fight Club.
I've not watched Fight Club. I've not watched Tamasha. I've not watched a lot of movies that I've been told I will love. I don't know what I'm waiting for, but I'm like almost waiting for a moment in my life where I
But
feel like
you know,
I,
you make these films too big in your head
Yes,
and then you feel
बहुत
like,
स्ट्रेस हो जाता
yeah.
है जब एक फिल्म की बहुत तारीफ होती है मैं उसको 2 महीने तक नहीं देखता कि ठंडा होने दो मामला
वो भी
फिर
बात
मैं
सही
जाके
है.
देखूंगा।
या फिर एकदम जल्दी देख लो.
हाँ
Sorry,
ये तो
before
बिल्कुल
anyone's
no.
spoken about
हाँ,
it.
yeah.
So Karthik and Karthik is one. Which are the other
I'm
films?
still reeling and thinking actually. But October you had recommended to me and I really like that. I think that would be.
It's a lovely film.
But it's so sad. Like it's so sad.
It is sad. I think it is sad. Yeah, that's
Just the sadness.
and
not
that
one
was the film when I watched
beef.
it. I was like, Varun Dhawan, such a good actor. he is such a good actor.
उसमें there was the mom जो वो लड़की की मम्मी होती है, I think her name is Gitanjali Shri, Gitanjali Rao. Gitanjali Rao is a filmmaker also और उनकी एक बहुत famous Indian animated film है, मुझे नाम देख के बताना. Bombay Rose. Bombay Rose. उनकी एक्टिंग इतनी अच्छी थी and it was so effortless. Sometimes I've seen directors, you give them one acting role, they'll kill it. उनको पता है कितना देना है, कितना कम करना है, क्या कैमरा है, कहाँ है. Actors doing directors doing acting sometimes can be so effortless.
Yeah, some directors are very good at it.
Gitanjali Rao is that one example in October कि मैं देख रहा हूँ ये कौन है यार, और तब तक मेरे को ये भी नहीं पता था वो डायरेक्टर है.
हाँ,
मेरे को नहीं
but
पता
you
था.
picked up on that character.
Yes, कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा इनकी हरकतें मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आ रही हैं. You know, when it comes to like hospital settings, one of my favorite like Indian films is Waiting, the Naseeruddin Shah film.
Yes.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
मैंने ये across Hollywood and Indian films दोनों देखा है. The insights you get inside a hospital by your characters, they are insane. Like वो जैसे आपके characters एक hospital में बात करेंगे, if they are bedridden or the people who are like there for the bedridden person, अलग level की
But
बातें
this is
आती हैं.
crazy. I just made a short film called The Waiting Room, and it's based in a hospital.
What are you saying?
Yeah,
Yeah.
literally.
I have
I didn't
seen
even know
Lift.
about this.
Okay.
Yeah, but I just made, I mean, it's not even out. I'm editing it and everything right now. But that's crazy. And then my dad's film that's
We
coming out.
sorted.
Yeah, yeah.
What?
Yeah. And my dad's film that's coming out has Naseeruddin Shah in it, and it's his part is just in a hospital. It's all in a hospital. So
Oh wow.
I was writing a little short story of going to the vet and me waiting at the vet's office with a friend, and just the fact that adulthood is about sitting in a waiting, like somebody to be in a waiting room with you, I guess.
yeah, we've taken you also to the doctor.
Yeah, with my eye patch. Like it's just so waiting rooms are very. It's like you being at the airport, na, in a limbo.
Yeah. The limbo is
Time doesn't exist there.
एक और चीज मैं मेरे दोस्तों से पूछता हूँ कि should you make content and films about stuff you know of or something that you want to learn about?
No off. I think you should always.
anything that interests you, I feel. Even if you don't know about it, the interest is enough for you to start understanding while you're making it. Yeah. I think like Richard Linklater might have not known about boyhood and how this boy is going to grow, but the fact that he went in with interest and saw that person growing up and made his film based on that, I'm sure things would have changed. He didn't know exactly what was going to happen. Of
But then
course.
he was a boy himself, so I don't think it was something he didn't know of.
But he didn't know everyone is different. Then in that way, I am a human. I can make any human story.
But he would not maybe have made a movie on girlhood then. You know what I'm saying?
But that perspective also would have been so good, na? Like someone who's grown up as a boy,
Huh?
making a film about girlhood.
I don't want to
And-
watch that.
But you're seeing this girl grow up. You're giving that person that topic enough time to understand it.
That's
But
true.
technically, and yeah, I agree with it because in boyhood, it's not just about the boy, it's also about the mom, it's also about the father. You are seeing guys, girls, everyone grow up in the world.
That's true. No, I'm not saying that you should never explore and learn from a subject. I'm just saying the best stories that I've personally felt most touched by are when they're coming from a very personal space. And I mean, I actually don't know. You're changing my mind a little, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just being
I think
very
it should-
narrow-minded
It
about
should be a mix of both. I keep talking it.
You need to find a personal connect.
Yeah. वो मतलब आपका ही होना चाहिए. I am also good with the what ifs, and I'm also good with ki, dude, I have to tell this. Which brings me to a question. I don't know if you know that I asked this. You might find this interesting. I am known for asking a question from a movie that you might know of. क्या टूटे हुए दिल से ही संगीत निकलता है? This is a question I have asked in all my podcasts. Do you think it is important to be sad to create art?
Oh, I love this
You say
question.
say first.
Okay. I think the trope of a tragic artist is lame, but it's also true. As someone who is constantly melancholic, like even for a funny person, I feel like my primary emotion is melancholy. Like even if I'm like, which is what we always think of, like any movie I watch, even if it's a happy movie, my end feeling, the last feeling I go with is sadness. Maybe it's because it's showcasing a dynamic that I don't have, or a dynamic that reminds me of something. It's always like a lack, I think, that I think of first more than what fulfills me in that. But हाँ, of course, टूटे दिल से आता है काफी काफी कुछ, स्पेशली कहानियां तो टूटे दिल से काफी अच्छी आती हैं. But with when you're in love also you create so much art. Like when you're like, I feel like since I write on people, I think I write on people when I love them or I know them. Because when you're like, I don't know, when you're brokenhearted, of course you write from your broken-hearted perspective. But when you're in love with someone or you are feeling positively about someone, then you write from the observations you make about them or the situation. And that's a different kind of detail that you can't get when you're just sad. That's very selfish sometimes.
Yeah. I also something similar, but I think good stories, good performances, a lot of art, it comes from a place of empathy. So any type of thing that you might feel for yourself or for other people around you. So a broken heart aids in that sometimes. You can become really empathetic and you can understand different emotions at a level where maybe you wouldn't have before you were brokenhearted. But again, love can do that. Travel can do that. Having a conversation with just someone that you start to understand can do that. So I think it's living a life. I don't think brokenheartedness is
Absolutely.
needed, but sometimes it helps. Yeah.
Yeah. Can I tell you what I think about, like, yeah.
Yeah.
It's more or less this कि सिर्फ टूटे हुए दिल से ही संगीत नहीं निकलता.
Hi.
Extreme emotion, extreme curiosity, anything extreme आ जाएगा. टूटा हुआ दिल definitely, like you said, aids to the whole like idea of it, and it makes it easier कि बताना है. And you guys will be surprised, I've asked it to all my guests across like platforms और सबके अभी मैंने समय रैना के साथ एक पॉडकास्ट किया है, asked him also कि उसका भी यही था कि इजी होता है अगर टूटा हुआ दिन हो तो. जैसे अभी उसका जो नया स्पेशल आया स्टिल अलाइव, सो इज लाइक कि अभी तो मेरे प्रॉब्लम चल रही थी तो ये बहुत इजीली आ गया. देन ही सेड अगला कैसे बनाऊं, सोच रहा हूँ मैं मेरी एक टांग काट लूं, इजी हो जाएगा. ही लेजिट सेड दिस कि यार अगला स्पेशल मेरा कैसे हिट होगा, क्योंकि दिस टाइम तो ही वाज इन पेन एंड ही जस्ट डॉक्यूमेंटेड द होल थिंग.
Yeah.
सो
ऐसे आ जाता है.
या
That's true. That's true. But I think if you're open to the world, then it will be easy for you to.
Humans are also very happy to be sad sometimes.
मैं उसी की बात कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज पीपल ट्राई टू बिकम दैट सैड आर्टिस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स. मेरे को उससे थोड़ा दिक्कत है.
We love hearing sad stories.
So
Like
in the film, it didn't do him any good that he was became sad and depressed and like in Rockstar.
yeah.
It didn't do him any good.
No.
No.
No, that's true.
Like, yeah, he became huge, but like he was still brokenhearted and he ruined his life. So
But we love watching that story,
We
I'm
love it.
saying.
Yeah,
We
that's
love watching people suffer in a weird way because we think it's very
And it
romanticized.
can give you one good story, but to be a consistent artist across years, it can become difficult. Like if you want to create art for decades, अब हर बार जाके थोड़ी मतलब सैड हो गए, otherwise you will be an asshole to everyone around
And
you.
मुझे लगता है कि हो ही नहीं सकता है ना. You can't do it on purpose. You actually have to be heartbroken. If you are pretending, then what do you mean?
नहीं, लोग अगर जाके कलेश कर ले तो
कैसे करोगे? अगर आपको पता है कि मैं कर रहा हूँ कलेश और मुझे अगर फील ही नहीं होने वाला है बिकॉज मुझे पता है मैं कर
मैंने
रहा हूँ.
टांग तोड़ी, मेरी टांग किसी ने तोड़ी, वो अलग है ना. हाँ.
तो टांग टूटने की वजह से अब कुछ और हो गया जो सैड है, तो
हाँ, वही.
ये लाइक कुछ चांस मिलने वाला था वो चला गया, देन दैट विल अफेक्ट यू. बट इफ यू ब्रोकन योर ओन लेग, देन हाउ विल इट अफेक्ट यू?
Yeah.
interesting. But I'm so excited for you guys to just see what like
Other
people
people have
talk about
said,
it.
yeah.
It's a question people love and hate me the most for. हम लोग भी ये सोचते ही है ना कि यार कि करें कि नहीं करें.
We also remember sad things for longer. Like this guy had told me that, I don't know, something about memory and how our memory and brain itself, हम दुखी बातें ज्यादा दिनों तक याद रखते हैं कि मेरे साथ ये गलत हुआ था, मुझे वो याद रहेगा. मेरे साथ जितनी सारी अच्छी चीजें हुई वो हमें उतने दिन याद नहीं रहेगा. Because your brain tends to hold on to the most impactful things.
That's
And
the
we
way the
tend-
world works. And
Yeah.
न्यूज़ में कुछ अच्छी चीजें तो आती
हमने
नहीं है, बस खराब
or
चीज़.
even sad movie endings, we'll be like, what a brilliant film. What a brilliant film because it showed the human suffering and how we But like we won't remember.
very realistic.
Yeah, realistic. Because we think life is supposed to be tragic.
Yeah, I have been journaling for a decade now, and if I see कि last 100 दिन में मैंने कितनी बार journal किया है, मेरे last 100 journals, मैं sad था तो उनमें से 95 times के
Always.
होंगे, और खुशी का, and I've been training myself कि खुश हो कब भी लिखा करो, तो I started this thing, आज मैं क्यों खुश हूँ, no construction noise today, एक भी लाइन आती है तो मैं ऐसे होता हूँ कि आज शोर शराबा नहीं हो रहा बाहर, so let's write it, but it's so difficult to write.
Yeah,
when-
even the
about-
last time I journaled, I wrote that I know it's so sad that I only open you when I'm sad, but these are the things I'm sad about. That's what. Yeah, because I don't remember to write otherwise.
Yeah, that's true.
If there,
Oh, you
everything's
speak to
fine.
your journal?
Yeah,
Let's go.
Yeah.
I speak to myself. I think also.
But it's very helpful. Like अगर मतलब वो थेरेपी सेंटर्स बंद हो जाएंगे अगर लोग लाइक जर्नल ज्यादा करने लग जाए तो बहुत हेल्प मिलती है यार.
Yeah. बचपन से तो I've been journaling since like
Yeah, my anger
I was
goes away.
5 or
If
something.
anger goes away. Do you guys do this thing where if you're angry with someone, you write a long message and then you just send it to yourself and like it's cool? I don't know. Have you guys? done it?
Only so in
So
my
you
journal
just
I
straight
write
up
it
no.
with.
अच्छा आप
I
बोल
write-
देते हो.
नहीं मैं अंदर जब एक फट जाऊं अंदर वही मेरे
Anyway, I think I think with like 4 or 5 people I write it in my journal, but then I tell them also.
Wow.
After a few days I'll send them a picture of see what you made me write.
Wow.
ये ब्रो ये अलग गेम होता है. ये वो इस बॉस गेम है कि जर्नल ही बता दो मैंने क्या लिखा है. अब वो कुछ बोल भी नहीं सकते
I know.
और वो
it's with
सोचे कि
my
मेरे को
truth.
डायरेक्ट भी नहीं बोला पर उसने ये फील किया. ये कार्ड मैंने 3-4 बार लाइफ में खेला है. It always works, but my recommendation would be कम खेलो, सही
हाँ
मोमेंट्स में
एग्जैक्टली
खेलो.
ज्यादा कर दोगे तो उनको मैटर ही नहीं
value
करेगा. एग्जैक्ट
कि भाई जला दे अपना जर्नल, हमें फर्क नहीं
मुझे
पड़ता.
पढ़ना ही नहीं है.
Wow. I'll try this.
You should try it. But a lot of other people, if I'm angry, I'll just not talk to them forever till they reach out to me.
Yeah, that can really cut people off if she wants to, I feel like.
अच्छा. Avoidant और anxious ये सब होते हैं ना attachment styles. I don't know if you guys.
What are
that.
you?
I don't know what is it. Explain.
There are 2 types of like behaviors की how we are attached to people. 3 होते हैं, secure, anxious attached or avoidant. So when a conflict comes, a lot of people go in their avoidant zone. They would like delay the conversation and
Shut
the person,
down.
yeah, they'll shut down, they'll like disappear. And some people want the assurance. Hey, is everything cool? Like, can we talk?
Your tone was a bit off. Can we talk about it? Yeah.
And इसमें crazy part होता है, anxious people always attract the avoidance.
Yeah.
And avoidance always hate the anxious. They want more space and they want the talk more.
Yeah.
But
And
they're
then-
also attracted to an anxious person.
Yeah, so ये एक बहुत anxious avoidance की cycle चलती है जहाँ अगर हम ये भी सोचें कि पिक्चरों में कौन anxious था कौन avoidant था, like we can easily tell. like by
सारे
the-
रोमांसेस तो अवॉइडेंट एंग्शियस ही लगते हैं
है ना? हाँ.
आदमी
हाँ मुझे अब कितना लगता है रोमांस फिल्म में कि एक और लाइन बोल देते तुम तो कुछ होता ही नहीं.
अगर एक बार बैठ के बात कर लेते तो ये
मेरी
नहीं
एक बार बात तो सुन लो मेरी एक बार बात तो सुन
हाँ,
लो नहीं मुझे
मुझे
नहीं सुनना
है,
अरे
मुझे
तो
आ
बोल
रहा-
दे तो
अरे
उसी
बोल
वक्त-
दो
हाँ,
ना,
वही
मेरी
तो।
एक और लाइन.
Yeah, like why do they want them to stand and wait and then she'll say that I didn't cheat on you?
Yesterday I was reading a book where I was like, why didn't you just say what is going on in your head? Why are you like
But we
letting
do
this
that.
man run away? नहीं मैं नहीं कर
which book?
People we meet on vacation.
Oh.
I picked it up because I wanted a light read, but then like that character is very strong and deep layered. You didn't like it.
I don't know about
Okay,
it. I don't know
Normal
about
people
it.
also is the same vibe or you know.
Normal people is a little more serious, heavier.
मैंने आपके देखे थोड़े वीडियोस साली रूनी like right?
Yeah, I love. And what do you think?
मैंने
of-
इतना पढ़ा नहीं है to have an opinion about, but I loved normal people. I think Daisy Edgar Jones is very very beautiful. Like she's stunning.
Yeah.
Which is actually something that my friend who read the book, he said that she was too beautiful for this.
ये कभी कभी लगता नहीं आप लोगों को जब बहुत सुंदर लोग पेन में होते हैं तो मैं तो मतलब सुंदरता देख रहा हूँ, पेन तक पहुंच नहीं
पर
पाता.
हाँ वो भी बात सही है बट बुक में उस इन्होंने डिस्क्राइब ही नहीं किया हाउ दे लुक okay in the whole book there was no description apparently. I have also not read the book but that's what my friend has told me and then he was like but then when I watched it then they were both just beautiful hot people like
Yes,
So then I don't know how to be what you said. Like I don't know how to sympathize with your
ये
problem.
डायलॉग है जहाँ पे शायद डेजी एडगर जो जेवंस बोल रही है कि आई एम नॉट प्रिटी इनफ, मैंने कहा बहन
That's what.
क्या बात
And see, in the second part of the film and the book and the show, she is supposed to be more beautiful. I think it's her awkwardness in the first part that makes her feel like so many times in high school and all, we deem certain people not beautiful, but not because they are not beautiful, but because they are unpopular or because they are nerdy or because they are awkward. मुझे लगता है उसका awkwardness आता है
हाँ
show में.
and they were so good at like portraying the awkwardness and I'm like भाई ये तो बात ही नहीं कर रहे हम awkward हो रहे हैं, 3 लोग awkward हो रहे हैं.
That's so true. They were really awkward. They killed it with that.
I love Paul Mescal.
Yeah.
He was just
Oh,
too
he was
good.
which is your favorite Paul Mescal film, guys?
I mean, I loved After Sun also, but बहुत sad है, बहुत sad है.
Choose one, Sentimental Value or After Sun.
Sentimental value.
Let's go. Which is your favorite Paul Mescal?
मैंने actually I would just go with the first thing I've seen of his
Hamlet,
name.
have you watched?
Oh, dude, I love it. I love Hamlet. I
My
love.
God, loved it. Good. Nice.
अरे एक दो ही है जिसमें हमारा वो मैच नहीं करा.
But again, टूटे दिल से performance निकलती है जो भी. He also, like Shakespeare makes, at least in the film, he makes Hamlet based on his.
And उनकी जो डायरेक्टर है मैं उनका नाम भूल रहा हूँ.
Chloe Zhao.
She's so good, dude. मतलब कुछ सीन्स हैमलेट के इतने ज्यादा अच्छे. एक सीन है where he's drunk and he's trying to write and like और उनसे
One shot.
one shot, dude,
पीछे
like
वो
one
जो
take
कर
चल
रहे
रहा है, dim lighting, amazing scene. And
उनके shot taking बहुत अच्छे से उन्होंने किया है. मतलब.
There were lots of like single takes.
कम थे but like जहाँ थे they were very impactful.
And I think they didn't waste time in doing, the standard close up, medium shot, wide. They planned it and they focused on the performance almost like a theater play.
Wow.
It was really beautiful.
I love
And
those.
one take की बात ही होती है कि when you are just doing a one take, you need to do it in a very planned way. Sometimes I think very like filmmakers who are not there वो कर देते हैं, देखो हमने कर दिया. ये तो
कुछ भी करो.
कुछ
हम
भी
लोग बस
करो.
कैमरा रोल
मतलब देखो मक्खी का 8 घंटे का शॉट है, बैठी है मक्खी, वो नहीं है कॉम्पिटेंट. हैमलेट में देर आर कॉम्पिटेंट वन
Because there's not a second that you are not interested in what's going on.
and dude the actress उनका क्या नाम है उस फिल्म
Jessie
Buckley.
Buckley.
हाँ, she is so good.
too
She is so
is
good. Did she win
good.
the
Yeah,
Oscar?
she won it.
Yes,
She won
man.
it.
Like मैं
She won every single award for Hamlet.
हाँ उनका जो ब्रेकडाउन मेरे को तो सैड रोने वाले पिक्चर बहुत पसंद है. Like I
She
live and
pissed me
breathe.
off in her interview for this film where she was like,
Where did
I don't like cats and I made my
Yeah.
partner get rid of his cats because I hate cats. And I was like,
अब
what?
बेचारी उसे नहीं पसंद अपने. Some people don't like.
Cats you get rid of? Don't date that man, bro.
Sakshi is scared of cats, no?
That's true, but she's not
So
dating
then-
anyone who has
yeah,
a cat.
what if she did? It
Then
would be difficult.
She would
It
not
be
date. He would
difficult.
not date the cat person.
थोड़ा सा ऑलरेडी रील पक्के अपने इंग्लिश.
I don't think you should date a cat person if you don't like cats. My hot take.
So she'll just let the father of her child like you.
So she'll just let the father let go of his first children, which is his cats.
नहीं वो थोड़ा
Also-
ज्यादा था. I'm sure they must have given the cats a home. ना किसी और के पास दे दिया होगा.
हाँ, I'm sure abandon नहीं किया होगा.
हाँ. It's just now this.
I don't want to logicalize. जीती होगी वो ऑस्कर, उसे बिल्लियाँ नहीं पसंद है तो मुझे नहीं पसंद है वो.
This is such a great line. I don't want to logic like it's like that.
You're making sense, so I'm just gonna shut it out now.
It's like that final वो आपकी टोन बहुत ऊंची है. मिस ऐसे बात मत करो.
मैं पागल तू पागल.
Yeah.
Anyway, that was my input on Jessie Buckley.
You see, that's why you've not watched Hamlet.
Yes,
हाँ.
I boycotted
Yeah,
it.
Yes.
No, but like yeah, that is a film I like. After Sun I also like. After Sun की पता है मेरी बहुत अच्छी कहानी है. You might like find it interesting. एक writer है राहुल देसाई. I really love his writing. Hollywood Reporter के लिए लिखते हैं.
हाँ.
Yeah, now.
Mhm.
So I saw the film and like क्या हुआ मेरे को समझ नहीं आई. Then I'm like कुछ फिल्मों में ना आपको लिटरेचर चाहिए होता है समझने के लिए कि यार मेरे को कोई समझाओ. फिर मैंने आफ्टर सन का राहुल देसाई का रिव्यू पढ़ा. उन्होंने ऐसा लिखा था, मैं देखने गया और उसमें मेरे को लगा क्या हुआ, then he went and read some reviews and then he rewatched it and then उस
He
रिव्यू में वो
understood,
लिखा,
yeah.
वो पढ़ के मैं पिक्चर अप्रिशिएट कर पाया। तो मेरे को कोई शर्म नहीं है ये बोलने में कि मेरे को खुद देख के समझ नहीं आई।
नहीं, मेरे लिए भी it was like an experience first, you know, like okay, what is going on? I'm just watching these home video tapes. And then of course I read a lot about it, and then I watched certain things again, and I was like, even if it's not like I don't know what the story is really, but the feeling that it got out of you was very strong.
Yeah. Which is a film that you guys like, which is very unlike your personality.
I was remembering this one film, Malamal Weekly. You watched it? It is so funny. I don't know. I've not watched it for many years, but I think that would be.
I love the Paresh Rawal teeth in the film. You
Yeah.
remember?
There's Bhakti.
Yes, क्या बोलता है? I don't know what to call it.
Bhakti to me, no?
Dentures.
Something ऐसे बाहर निकल हुआ है,
Material, yeah.
like कि बहुत मतलब ऐसे crazy उनका
Yeah,
होता है।
yeah. मुझे तो परेश रावल ही बहुत पसंद है, like in most films.
हाँ,
Even.
गलती से हुआ। अब मैं हर चीज में न्यूरोडाइवर्जेंस नहीं बोल सकता।
You keep that in with the Bhakti Paranidhi.
कि अगर मैं कॉफी ठंडी में न्यूरोडाइवर्जेंस
Could be blamed.
कुछ इसमें वही था ना, कुछ वेल का होता है,
हाँ,
पैसा आ
there's some
जाता है।
money and there's some millionaire. Yeah, पूरा village एक लॉटरी टिकट के पीछे भाग रहा है, कुछ ऐसा है.
Yeah.
Which is yours?
Mere Mehboob. It's a very old movie.
Oh, okay.
And it's about this man who falls in love with this girl by just seeing her eyes. And
It sounds like some film that you would really love.
that is so true. But it's a very old film. Like it's so very like एकदम like बहुत ही पुराने ज़माने की फिल्म है. इसलिए मुझे लग रहा है कि it's not like I
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
think I'm very fond of watching उतना पुराने films as much as I would like to be that person who's like I love watching 40s movies. My dad made me watch it and it's just like एक तो 10 मिनट का गाना है उसमें जिसमें वो उसको देखे जा रहा है. मेरे महबूब मुझे मेरी तेरी मोहब्बत की कसम जो गाना है that's from यही. And then he confuses her with her best friend, but then he knows that this is her pair of eyes. It's a very long film. It's a very like it's not very entertaining or very modern, obviously. But I don't know. I never expected myself to like it when I was like 16 to watch that kind of film and be like, huh, that's a nice that's nice. Like I should have I had just gotten out of Hannah Montana, so to like
Yeah,
something
yeah.
like that felt
Yeah.
the 10 on 10.
Nice. I haven't seen this one. This is something I will check
I have
out.
also not.
Yeah. Your dad has watched it. I've spoken to him
Oh,
about
really?
it. Yeah. He
Must
has really
have, yeah.
liked it.
I have a film recommendation for you guys. It's called Paint Drying. मैं कुल्लू को recommend करना चाहता था. It's called Paint Drying.
Or like to
right?
watch paint dry, like the
No, but it's a
boringness
film.
of it.
Someone's made a
It's a
film on it.
film where paint is drying for 10 hours and someone made it with the censor board कि अब देखो तुम परेशान करना 10 घंटे एक बॉल है और सिर्फ paint is getting dry.
Literally like the saying, like I would rather watch paint dry.
I
than-
didn't watch it. I'm just,
Yeah,
like-
no one watches it, I think.
That's
but
what-
It's, a 10
it's just a
hour-
cool recommendation. It's like
Yeah.
No, the saying.
Yeah, it's because of the saying.
oh,
I
I'm
love
sure it's because of the
that.
saying.
I
Yeah,
think,
yeah.
yeah.
But- yeah.
so
That's awesome.
बहुत weird चीजें बन रही हैं, like I just love when people go this wild. So yeah. And what else like would you guys like to? Which is your favorite film by your father?
Rockstar. Easy answer. I love Rockstar. I didn't like it when it first came out
Why?
because I was like, I wanted him to make something like Jab We Met, which was very popular and funny. And I was 11 when it came out. But I think that is also a film you have to watch when you're in an angsty phase of your life, and then you enjoy that film. So,
And आपको चमकीला कैसी लगी थी?
बहुत अच्छी.
I also love चमकीला. Yeah.
Yeah.
And आपकी इम्तियाज अली सर की favorite film कौन सी है?
I think Jab We Met only because I watched it at least 35 times.
Are you serious?
Yeah, my sister used to watch it a lot. So then I would also watch it a lot. And then like now, like we would like quote lines to each other and all that. But also like the more you watch it, I think it just grows with you. Highway also, of course, was gorgeous.
Yeah.
But that was more mature to watch. Like when I was more mature, I think I enjoyed it more.
Jab We Met
But if
is
I
a
have
film
to
you can
pick-
watch a lot.
Yeah.
You know, again and again.
Yeah.
It doesn't get you down.
Yeah. but just like objectively probably Highway, but as something that is always going to be close to my heart will be Jab We Met, because the second half really gets to you.
Yeah.
And just the contrast of the first half and the second half, and Geet, and how everyone wanted to be Geet, and then everyone was like, but yeah, we are also sad like Geet. It's just, I enjoy that.
जैसे मैं प्रीति सब्रवाल को बहुत कोट करता हूँ, मैं जब भी मैं एक डायलॉग को बहुत करता हूँ, पानी का काम सिर्फ पानी करता है. I love that dialogue so much, dude. मतलब enjoying the water, like
My
it is-
mom and I would buy bottles, that thanda wala bottle, and we would be like, तो पानी अंदर टेस्टी कभी टेस्ट नहीं किया उसके बाद. It was great.
I mean, I could see the flavor in the water after having seen that. Like, it made you appreciate.
Yeah, it made you
it.
appreciate water for sure. And then when she like turns and the train is leaving and her nails are red and she's just like scratching her face and she starts running.
That was
I like
damn
that part.
I bought everything in Jab We Met. मतलब like होता है ना कि ये भी आपको आपके लिए हम वर्क कर
हाँ,
रहे हैं.
yeah, me.
Decent
hotel
होता है.
decent.
It was too that was my favorite.
My dad got sued for it.
Are you
What?
serious?
For Decent Hotel?
Ratlam sued him
What?
because they were like, आप क्या बुरी बुरी बातें कर रहे हो रतलाम के बारे में, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है रतलाम में कि आप बोल रहे हो कि prostitutes होते हैं, and ऐसा गंदा call girl वाला होटल होता है, and all of these things. And so he had to go there and certain other places. And then after that, everyone from the court and all, they like took pictures with him also. But there were like literally people taking like printouts of him and burning it and stuff like that in Ratlam.
What are you saying?
Yeah. And it was his second film. Like he wasn't even that famous, at that time. I don't-
Crazy.
Yeah.
Dude, and did he win the case?
Yeah, he won the case.
Do you want people to not watch things on phone like films? Or are you guys cool with it?
Films definitely I think phone पे नहीं देखना चाहिए. बड़ी
अच्छा.
नहीं देखना चाहिए according to me, or at least I don't enjoy watching films on a small screen. I'd rather watch it on the
But लोगों को क्यों नहीं देखना चाहिए बताओ ना थोड़ा.
क्योंकि हम इतना एफर्ट लेते हैं, बड़े बड़े कैमरास लेके जाते हैं रियल लोकेशन में, या इवन वीएफएक्स बड़े स्क्रीन के लिए करते हैं. आई थिंक इट्स लाइक एन एक्सपीरियंस. इफ यू डू इट ऑन योर फोन, इट्स लाइक अ पास टाइम. एंड मुझे ऑब्वियसली अगर मैं फिल्म्स बनाऊंगी, मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए कि लोग टाइम पास के लिए देखे मेरा फिल्म. लाइक ऑफ कोर्स टाइम पास तो होगा ही, बट यू गेट समथिंग, यू गेट like magic out of it when it's on a bigger screen, I feel.
You've spoken very artist.
आप क्या सोचते हो?
देखो मैंने अगर बना दिया कुछ, अब तुम्हें जैसे कंज्यूम करना है तुम करो. मेट्रो में चलते वक्त करना चाहते हो तो कर लो, कंज्यूम कर लो. I don't think I should have a say in how you're watching it.
But you can have a preference.
हाँ.
I would rather you watch
okay.
it anyhow.
Even then, I
But-
don't have a preference. Then I would say, yeah, of course, in the ideal scenario, we should all give it that respect. I think respect would be the word, but I don't think it's disrespectful to watch it while commuting.
Not like that. I think it's just more enjoyable. And also, I feel like posture बहुत खराब हो रहा है लोगों के, and they're becoming a little like duds. Everyone has like
Everyone
this
is like, yeah,
they're just like-
100% agreed.
all the time, and you ask them a question, they'll be like, like you need to have something. You can't be on your phone like this all the time.
हमने यहीं बैठ के सचिन पिलगांवकर सर के साथ एक किया था, फटी है वो रील काफी. तो आप सुनना, मैंने यही बात करी कि क्या हाइजीन होनी चाहिए. और आप लोगों ने मीम देखा है कि एक इंसान अपने आईपॉड पे इंटरस्टेलर देख रहा है और ऊपर लिखा है जस्ट लाइक नोलन इंटेंडेड.
You know what Ted Sarandos said?
The Netflix guy.
Netflix CEO. His son is an editor, and Netflix is trying really hard for not having like movie theaters and stuff like that. So Ted Sarandos was like, yeah, my editor's son watches Lawrence of Arabia on his phone. So, yeah, it was like,
It's not something to show
Yeah, it's
off
not something to
also.
show
Yeah.
अभी ये जो मल्टीप्लेक्सेस आए हैं ना, उसमें वो रिक्लाइनर्स वगैरह आए ना, आई कांट सी अ फिल्म लाइक दैट.
आज को सोचो सिर उधर देते हैं सब.
अरे नहीं भाई, ऐसा थोड़ी है. आप हॉस्पिटल में जब बैठ के थोड़ी पिक्चर देख रहे हो, आप सिनेमा हॉल में बैठ के पिक्चर देख रहे हो. हैव अ हार्ट, यू शुड सिट अपराइट. ये करना है, ये ऐसा करना है, ये कदे मारे कहीं पर वो कर. हंसना है तो नीचे लोटपोट होके हंसना है. गाना बज रहा है, डांस कर रहा है, तो आपको भी ऐसा ऐसा मूव करना है. वो रिक्लाइनर पे क्या करेंगे आप आराम करने थोड़ी आए हैं, आप फिल्म एंजॉय करने. मतलब ये मेरा कहना है.
आपके हिसाब से थिएटर में सबसे सही रो कौन सी है फिल्म? इसका आंसर इनने नहीं बताइए, आप लोग बताएंगे. Where do you sit?
Yeah, I think middle is a good one.
Middle but ऊपर.
कितना ऊपर?
So right after the
recliner.
recliner.
अच्छा, you guys also don't like recliners?
I mean,
It
I go
separates
for
you.
it. No one I watch films with wants to not go for the recliner. But if I went alone, I would not go for recliner. I go for normal one.
Yeah, that's true.
Which is the थोड़ा कलेश का अब हम amp up करेंगे. Which is the last film you guys slept while watching?
What about you?
मैं सोया तो बचपन में कभी खुशी कभी गम देखते था, बहुत छोटा था. फिर एक थप्पड़ बजता है और मैं उठ जाता हूँ. इसमें एक कहीं तो थप्पड़ आता है, कोई किसी को थप्पड़ मारता है.
रोशन को पड़ता है.
हाँ, ऋतिक रोशन लिख रही हूँ.
कौन? हाँ.
कभी
Amitabh
खुशी
or
कभी
the
गम.
mother?
No.
I was very young. The year was कभी खुशी कभी गम
2004.
2004.
Very embarrassing.
So I was 7 years old. Yeah. So अगर मैं तो मैं सो गया था.
I'd like to say about Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. I had never watched that film together. It used to come on the TV all the time. So I used to watch parts and parts and parts. मुझे एक साल पहले पता चला that Shah Rukh Khan was an orphan. Or he was adopted.
Oh, that's
मुझे यही नहीं पता था.
Okay, so ये मैं भी भूल गया था. In all honesty, I forgot this.
Which is why the whole thing happened.
Yeah.
तो किस एजेंसी के साथ मतलब को वो लड़ रहा था.
ये तो अमिताभ बच्चन का मूवी तब उनकी पॉलिसी नहीं था अमिताभ बच्चन ही वुड अडॉप्ट.
पर मैं हूं ना में भी ऐसा कुछ था कि वो
नहीं मैं हूं ना में स्टेप ब्रदर था.
स्टेप ब्रदर था.
हाँ.
Bagban also. Salman was
had
adopted.
या बागबानी. मैं हूं ना में तो थी नहीं वो.
नहीं वो नरसिंह सर बोलते हैं ना, वो जाते थे तुम मेरे सौतेले बेटे या कुछ एक वो.
हाँ, because he had an affair with someone and then had a kid.
Oh, but that's the conflict of Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, na? कि वो he chose his
Yeah, but I think
wife
there's
over
so
him.
many conflicts.
बहुत conflict
हमने
है.
But
तुम्हें घर दिया और तुमने
और
फिर
तुमने
भी
हाँ
या ऐसा कुछ था.
यही
Conflict
था
तो
कि
मतलब
तुम
ऐसे
मेरे अपने
इकोनॉमिक
बच्चे हो.
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स भी बहुत है उसमें.
बहुत ज्यादा है.
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट तो बहुत है पर शुरुआत वहीं से होती
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है. बच्चे चंदू के चाचा नहीं बोल पा रहे भाई बहुत कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है.
And patriotism in London and all of that. वो सब
Oh,
भी तो है.
yeah.
बहुत ज्यादा.
It was a really indulgent film.
बट आई मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, वी शुड डू मोर ऑफ इंडल्जेंस. आपने कहा था राइट कि बहुत जरूरी है. जैसे साउथ में लोग बहुत इंडल्जेंट है, मैं उसको ऑडेशियस ही बोलता हूँ. ऑडेसिटी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लोग रुक जाते हैं, जैसे आप कह रहे हो ना, समटाइम्स फिल्म्स आर टू वोक जस्ट टू साउंड पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट, लाइक रुक जाते हैं. तो मैं
I think intention might be right if you're making but you can't make a film based on. I think that you can't make a film based on the outcome you want from an audience.
एब्सोल्युटली.
You can only make a film when it's genuine
Wow.
or at least a good film.
That's it too.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. मतलब इंटेंट के मार्क्स मिलने चाहिए या नहीं, ये भी एक जरूरी चीज होती है कि मैंने 12 साल लगा के एक फिल्म बनाई. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू आस्क पीपल हाउ बॉयहुड इज इफ दे डोंट नो इफ इट वाज मेड इन 12 years. Will people still like it?
हाँ.
Yeah, I don't think they will.
Yeah, I don't know. Now if someone watches it without knowing anything about it.
अगर आपको पता है, मतलब वो ये ना कि इंडी फिल्म्स में ये बहुत होता है कि मैंने इतना पैसा मैंने गरीबी में बनाई. हम लाइक स्टारबक्स से मंगाते थे, बूजी के पैसे नहीं थे, लाइक ऐसी चीजें. Something
So true.
What do you guys think of Rajkumar Hirani films?
I love the Munna Bhai world.
I
I love the
Munna
Munna
Bhai.
Bhai.
Yeah.
It was like happy, fun, and just indulgent also in certain things. Like they have this whole song where I think with Jimmy Shergill's character, he's dying, and then it's like the romance song,
The MBBS one, right?
MBBS
Yeah, yeah.
one. I thought those types of things were very, very fun.
Name some more film. Donkeys.
Holy Trinity is MBBS, Lage Raho, and Three Idiots.
Yeah.
तीनों अच्छे.
The Idiots too you have to. And all of these actually you will love.
I would say MBBS and Lage Raho are more rewatchable than Three Idiots.
I also think so.
And particularly MBBS is very, very rewatchable. MBBS is
That is the
extremely-
best one.
I
Yeah,
also
yeah.
think so.
And
Even Lage Rao has a good point to it.
yeah. And I don't know if मतलब अभी वो कब वर्क करेगा या नहीं करेगा.
Yeah, maybe not.
But I don't think he intends to do that. I don't know. I'm not in his brain, but I don't know if he's intending for it to be some like long standing this thing. I think he wants it to be enjoyable for that particular generation to go and watch a movie with their family in the theater, laugh, come back
एंड
out.
लाइक उन्होंने टीयर 1 टीयर 2 टीयर 3 हर जगह जो एक्सेसिबिलिटी है, हिंडॉल्स इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग। राजकुमार हिरानी की हर फिल्म में हर सीन एक शॉर्ट फिल्म होती है which has a start and an end to it, and that's why you feel so happy कि when there is a जादू की चप्पी like एक शॉर्ट फिल्म देखी।
Yeah.
If you आप अलग से निकालो जब वो like वहाँ पे उनसे लॉबी में मिलते हैं और वो it's a short film in itself।
हाँ.
And that's why you can take so many things away from it. You know, there are certain things that you remember from every film. Jadoo Ki Chappi,
जादू
All
की
is
चप्पी हो
Well.
गई कि how does the induction motor work?
Yeah.
Good Morning Mumbai.
Good morning Mumbai।
Yeah.
So
Machine.
तो वो सब चीजें तो have stood the test of time, even if the whole movie might not be something we'll rewatch all the time.
But maybe as more as nostalgia. What if someone was to watch it right now without ever watching it? Like they didn't know
हाँ,
anything.
maybe not then, maybe not. But that's more a lot of Indian films then.
and which is
We love it because of nostalgia.
Yeah.
Again.
your favorite Anurag Kashyap film?
I've been thinking a lot about Hanuman Returns. Have you watched
Oh,
this
crazy!
animated film?
People will be so impressed there.
Oh my god, that's
Did
it.
you read that?
Have you watched it?
No.
Oh my god, it's like one of the best animated films I've ever watched.
Have I watched it?
And in
But
the
it's
beginning,
funny.
Alia's name comes for Alia. I was so
Aw.
jealous of her. But yeah, I was very jealous.
Cute.
But it's a very cool film.
आपको मिली ऐसे कहीं डेडिकेशन?
For Ida, nahi, kabhi nahi yaar. My dad's never even made any animated film.
He stopped shoot for your birthday in Chandigarh.
हाँ।
What did you say?
Abhi, haan. He came back for my birthday for a day, even though he was in on set and
Yeah.
during shoot and all. That was pretty sweet.
Hindal was telling me, हम ऐसे थोड़ा research कर रहे थे, your birthday is on 11th November, the day Rockstar released. on.
Rockstar released
So
on
was
11
it
11
was
11
it intense? हाँ, I know.
and I
know.
turned 11 on that day.
Oh.
Her
So
birthday
it was intentional.
11/11.
नहीं वो तो dates मिलते हैं ना
but
distributors
थोड़ा
give
तो
you the
होगा
date.
क्या पता वो
It just worked out. The stars aligned.
11/11, and that's not intentional. It's the
Now
universe.
Friday, who knew it was going to be a Friday that year? But it turned out to be a Friday. It turned out that day other films weren't.
So it has
releasing.
nothing to do with you.
I don't think so. I don't think so. But I mean, they must have heard it and they would have been like, actually, it's a good time. You know, like it's not like it would have come from my dad where it's like, isi date pe release karenge. Someone must have suggested it and he would have liked the suggestion. What's your favorite Anurag Kashyap film?
Devdi, and Devdi is very highly rewatchable.
It's come out again, na?
Yes, it's
Yeah.
yeah. Devdi is there. I love revisiting. Oh, sorry, Black Friday.
Black
Oh,
Friday.
Black Friday.
I like Black Friday a lot.
I might be forgetting, but मेरी एक लिस्ट है जो बहुत टाइम से जीनी हुई. My 5 favorite Indian Hindi films of 21st century: Black Friday, खोसला का खोसला, तलवार, अलीगढ़, और मैं हमेशा एक बोल जाता हूँ.
Uran.
Udan.
These are-
I
And we
love
love Udan.
These are my 5 favorite Indian
Udan
films
is
of 21st century.
beautiful. We did
We did
an
an
episode on
episode
On
Udan.
Udan.
Yeah.
Udan is such a well-directed film
It's-
that
yeah.
it's like it
It's
did something. to
perfect.
me.
First film of his. It's crazy. How did he make it? Yeah, it's
And Udan has great sound. I've spoken about it a lot. I think Vikramaditya Motwane has been a sound designer in past. You can see like कि
Yeah.
छोटे-छोटे scenes में.
sound designer. I thought he did something with Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Was he a sound designer for him?
Yeah.
Okay.
So जैसे छोटी
That's crazy. I had no idea.
And जैसे उड़ान में जब वो पहली बार अपने होम टाउन पहुंचता है, रेलवे स्टेशन पे जो आवाजें आती हैं, आपने हमेशा ये एक पुराना एक ऑडियो लेयर सुनी होती है कि कृपया ध्यान दें अगर आप गाड़ी नंबर. बट आजकल रेलवे स्टेशन पे लाइक लोग मर्द लोग भी बोलते हैं अरे वाह पटरी से हटो वगैरह, तो उसमें वो साउंड डिजाइन है. आई एम लाइक ब्रो दिस गाय गेट्स इट,
Yeah.
द रियलिज्म ऑफ इट. तो मैं बड़ा एक्साइट हो गया था कि मैं भी ऐसे ही करना चाहता हूँ साउंड डिजाइन. फिर वो जो अपनी ट्रंक खींच के लेके जा रहा है, भाई कितना
It is
screeching
actually. I think
sounds.
we even spoke about the sound.
Yeah,
in
the sound,
yeah.
na?
The screeching
See,
sound of
there's
the-
not music, but there's realistic.
The sound
like,
is only giving so much
Yes.
atmosphere.
literally, that
Yeah,
was like
we
we
did
spoke
talk
about it
about
for a
that,
while
yeah.
in the episode.
Yeah, so the sound of it and
The accent also we spoke about the हमको तुमको
Yeah,
वाला.
the East India accent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ईस्ट इंडिया की हिंदी अलग है ना, वो हमको बोलते हैं, हम नहीं, लखनऊ वाला हम नहीं, बट लाइक हमको जाना है वहाँ पे।
नहीं, like हम जाएगा ना तो
हाँ,
सीख
that's
लेंगे।
more
Yeah.
मारवाड़ी also।
I don't know,
हम
I
जाएगा,
think
हम बोला था।
हाँ, बोला था ना जाएगा हम।
अभी मैंने किसी पॉडकास्ट में बोला था, उसमें मुझे लास्ट में लेटर लिख के जाता है पापा को, इट्स लाइक समझने की कोशिश मत कीजिएगा क्योंकि आप
आपके
कभी नहीं
साथ-
समझ
हाँ,
पाएंगे.
yes.
That is there, and like all those, Ronit Roy is amazing. Who is the other guy? Rahul Ram? Like Ram Kapoor.
he's
Ram Kapoor is so
good.
People don't talk enough about the acting of Ram Kapoor in Udaan. He is brilliant. Because there is a scene where his brother demeans him.
Yeah, yeah.
कि तुम बच्चा नहीं कर पाए और something.
It's hard.
Bro, I'll never forget उनके Ram Kapoor's expressions in
Oh,
that
I'm getting
scene.
goosebumps just thinking about it।
And then हॉस्पिटल में जब वो खड़े होता है, I'm getting too excited. Like वो जो वाइड एंगल शॉट है, मैंने बहुत टाइम से नहीं देखी है. वाइड एंगल शॉट है, उसके हाथ में उनका एडमिशन वो आता है, लाइक रिजल्ट आता है, एंड द वे ही थ्रोज इट ऑन हिम,
Yeah.
ब्रो, मतलब पेपर की आवाज आपको पत्थर की आवाज लगती है.
Yeah.
इट इज दैट इम्पैक्टफुल. सो नाव जब गाना आता है, जब उसके पेरेंट्स कॉल कर, जो उसके फ्रेंड्स कॉल करते हैं, ओए कैसा है वगैरह, नहीं कट्स द कॉल. एंड मोटू का बाप क्या करता है, मोटू का बाप ब्रा और पैंटी बेचता है. याद है ये सब?
Yeah, yeah. Even the little bit of like him finding that weird gang type of friends that he
वही
hangs
उन्हीं
out.
का तो डायलॉग है, मोटू का बाप क्या करता है, वो जो अंदर
हाँ,
रेड
exactly, but like the bar and all that they've created, it's not like it's
you
so
feel
real.
like you feel the claustrophobia of a small town.
Yes, yes.
In that like कि
Because जमशेदपुर में अगर किसी को पीना है तो सबको पता चल जाएगा कि ये पीने जा रहा है, या you have to go literally to a dhaba a little bit on the outskirts to have a
Yeah,
drink.
maybe
and stuff
even in
like that.
Calcutta sometimes this happens।
मेरी थ्योरी है, जैसे अब एक नई वेव चल रही है ना कि बागबान में पेरेंट्स ही गलत थे, क्यों तेज गाने बजा रहे थे, क्यों तेज टाइपराइटर कर रहे थे. सो ये पूरी यार देयर इज अ थ्योरी कि भाई क्यों कर रहे थे आप, लाइक फिर तो बच्चे होंगे ही ना गुस्सा. आई थिंक डाउन द लाइन, मैं नहीं ऐसा मानता, मैं मतलब पर्सनल ओपिनियन लगे, आई थिंक 20-30 years down the line people will start thinking Ronit Roy was right in Udaan. बहुत
No,
सारी
no।
you are underestimating.
नहीं, because of the explicit scenes of abuse, I don't think they can think that. The fact that he was literally beating him on the
अरे सब बदल जाते हैं यार नैरेटिव कि क्या कितना अच्छा बाप है, सिगरेट पिला रहा है मेरे सामने.
humiliation is not going, is a unit। I don't think वो टाइम से
बट कुछ चीजें हैं, जैसे जैसे मैं अभी सोचता हूँ कि पापा जब उसको पहली बार रनिंग पे लेके
पोएम
जाते
का
हैं
बुक, हाँ,
कि
जला
छोड़-
दिया।
छोड़ दो, ग्रेशोबा में छपेगा या कोई चवन्नी डाल के चला जाएगा. देयर इज अ डायलॉग इज नहीं I'm saying कि कहाँ मेरे को लगा
No, but I
जब वो
see,
पहली,
but
एक तो वो उसको डिसिप्लिन बना रहे हैं,
Hmm.
उसको
वो
रन पे लेके
But
जाते हैं.
then the thing is like अगर उसे इतना विलन बना देते कि उसमें कुछ भी रिडीमिंग क्वालिटीज नहीं है, तो फिर वो कैरेक्टर ही रियलिस्टिक नहीं
इसलिए तो
होता.
मैं कह रहा
तो
हूँ
है रिडीमिंग
रिडीमिंग क्वालिटीज है, कम है बट है.
बट ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है कि वो
बागबान में भी ये नहीं हुआ है, बागबान में भी अभी भी बच्चे ही विलन है.
हाँ
हाँ but
नहीं,
it's-
पर उतने भी विलन, मतलब मैंने
देखो हो रहा है ना अभी.
I don't remember that film that much.
This is actually happening and it happened with Tare Zameen Par. So the term they've come up with is called anti-excellence propaganda. Ki these films basically tell you to like be comfortable with who you are and accept who you are and not strive for excellence. कि मतलब you can be better. तो तारे ज़मीन पर का ये क्रिटिसिज्म अभी नया रिसेंटली निकला है कि इट मेक्स हिम सेटल फॉर मीडियोक्रिटी. एंड सेम थिंग अगर आप देखो उड़ान के लिए भी अप्लाई किया जा सकता है कि वो बाप तो उसको बेटर बना कोट अनकोट बेटर बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा था ना. तो
आपको बेसिकली आप कह रहे हो कि रोकना नहीं चाहिए अगर पेरेंट अपने बच्चे को मीडियोकर बना रहा है. व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड अगेन?
एंटी एक्सीलेंस प्रोपेगेंडा ये अभी नई
क्रेजी.
वेव चल रही है.
But better कैसे बना रहा था? If he wanted to make him better, he would have put him in classes to improve his poetry.
बट टेक्निकली स्पीकिंग उड़ान में भी बाप बच्चे को फैक्ट्री भेज रहा था. वर्ल्ड तो अपने स्टाइल का उनकी लिमिटेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग थी.
नहीं, बट उसे भेज दिया ना, बोर्डिंग स्कूल भेज दिया.
बट उसके बाद जब वो वापस आया सो वो कुछ फेल वेल होके अच्छा कांते शाह के मूड करके ही तो आया था भाई वो भी. तो
He got kicked out and he came back.
या
And बाप करेगा, कुछ तो करेगा ना.
वो कर रहे
मैं
हैं.
बोल रही हूँ कि
He wasn't allowed to.
sorry, he's not like he is a father, but there are so many fathers who do exactly this, and here you're showing the ill effects of it.
मैं तो ऑन पॉइंट हूँ. मैं तो इसलिए बॉम्बे आया हूँ. मैं ऐसा टीम रोनित रॉय नहीं हूँ. बट सिंस अब हम इतने वर्ल्ड व्यूज देखते हैं आई कैन सी द ब्यूटी ऑफ रोनित रॉय कैरेक्टर मेरे लिए तो देखो टाइम पे उठने के लिए क्या है
Beauty of Ronit Roy's character. Chal. Apologist. No.
टाइम पे उठने के लिए कह रहा है
So I'm saying these things are good qualities. I also don't view him as only a black
He wasn't
character.
And we also discussed that.
वो बोले तो ये नहीं कर रहे अब मैं कर रहा था वो भी तो सेम ही चीज बोल रही है
Well, I'm biased. नहीं बट उसका हाँ उसका पास्ट होगा उसके पापा ने भी बहुत गंदी चीजें की उसके साथ इसलिए ही इज डूइंग द सेम थिंग टू हिज सन एंड ऑल दैट आई स्टिल डोंट सी इट एज ब्यूटीफुल आई सी अ साइकिल ऑफ अब्यूज रिपीटिंग इटसेल्फ
बट
दैट्स and then he didn't even let him call him पापा सर बुलाने बोलता था वो ये कौन फ्यूचर में बोलेगा अच्छी बात थी हम सबको अपने बाप को सर बुलाने
अरे बोला ना ये एंटी एक्सेलेंस चालू हो गई है वेव मैंने तो ऐसी बात मेरे को थोड़ी बता दी टाउन भी होता है मैं तो ऐसी बातें कर रहा हूँ भाई मेरा क्यों इसने बता दी चल रहा तारे जमीन पर में लोग फ्लो निकल आ रहे वो लोग कह रहे हैं कि विपिन शर्मा करेक्ट था
हाँ, they can try to be like financially, academically good, whatever. And ये आके बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं आर्ट करो तो अच्छा है. तो that is what they are coming for. ये भी चल रहा है.
interesting okay so it's possible you're saying for this also to be
Yeah,
twisted
भाई लेकिन ये कितना एक्सट्रीम होगा इमेजिन
बहुत extreme होगा।
लाइक हम सब ऐसे अरे वैभव हम बुढ़े हो गए देखो उड़ान में क्या
रॉय की मतलब ये मीम्स निकल रहे हैं where he is like a nice man and they
और फिर वो होगा कि करे माँ बोल रहे वैभव से ओके ग्रैंडमा लेट्स टेक यू
you were right
ओके ग्रैंडमा लेट्स टेक यू इनसाइड ब्रो यू नेवर नो आई एम सेइंग कि ये तो मैं सीख गया इस इंडस्ट्री के बारे में
कुछ भी पलट सकता है।
हाँ मैं कभी कभी कुछ चीजें देख के आता हूँ और बाहर कुछ और ही बस चल रहा है इट्स लाइक मैं गलत वाया मैं आंसर देख के आ गया भाई कि समटाइम्स इट हैपेंस कि कुछ कुछ चीजें आप लाइक करते हो उसके लिए भी होता है हेट का तो होता ही है कि यार आई हेट इट वगैरह बट इट्स क्रेजी
क्या पता नहीं at this moment what people are liking and not liking we never know. You
That's
know
true.
like the wave right now is not to like the film also happens.
आई वॉज वंस एट अ पार्टी ओके एक मैं दोस्त की पार्टी में गया था एंड लाइक समवन इंट्रोड्यूस मी टू गर्ल एंड लाइक आई वाज टॉकिंग टू हर मैंने उसको बताया कि भाई मैं भी वीडियोस बनाता हूँ शी इज लाइक कि शी हैज आल्सो एज अ पॉडकास्ट ऑन फिल्म मैंने कहा मैंने अभी ओम शांति ओम पे कुछ बनाया था एंड शी सेड कि मैंने ओम शांति ओम पे बनाया आई सेड आई डिड अ वीडियो ऑन ओम शांति ओम वर्सेस तमाशा एंड आई सेलेक्टेड लाइक ओम शांति ओम शी सेड ओह यू डोंट लाइक तमाशा एंड देन आई सेड व्हाई आई डोंट लाइक तमाशा एंड मैंने कहा क्या हुआ आपको बोले नो नो इट्स जस्ट मेड बाय माय डैड
I'm back ladies and
So
gentlemen
this is how I met.
Yeah, that's the first time I met him.
आपको पता है अभी I met Imtiaz sir at like because I want to do a podcast with him so I met him अभी बमन sir का एक
Yes,
event
yes.
था so I told कि आप लोगों के साथ भी एक podcast हो रहा है सर करते हैं फिर मैंने कहा मैं ही बता देता हूँ कि लोग जानते सर by the way I am infamous for not liking तमाशा मैंने कहा कोई he is like I like you then
Yeah. He likes people who don't like his stuff, I think.
हाँ I think
Yeah, because you then get another perspective where you are surrounded by people who are
Yeah.
just like, yeah, आप जो भी कर रहे हो सब अच्छा है, सब अच्छा
क्योंकि
है. everything
उन्होंने
is
एक बार पब्लिकली बोला था बिकॉज मेरा भी शायद इवेंचुअली हुई है तमाशा से ज्यादा लोग तमाशा को अपना पर्सनालिटी बना लेते हैं ना उन्होंने बोला था
बहुत annoying है.
वो कि हाँ ये क्या है भाई ये तो मैंने पिक्चर बनाई नहीं थी कि सडनली एवरीवन इज लाइक जजिंग यू फॉर नॉट लाइकिंग एंड लोग आपको डी इंटेलेक्चुअलाइज करते हैं कि तुम इतना समझदार नहीं हो कि तुम्हें समझ नहीं है तो मेरे को उससे बहुत दिक्कत है
हाँ, yeah, exactly. He doesn't like the thing of like, this is an exclusive club. Because he's never felt like he's been a part of an exclusive club.
That's
like,
why-
club. And it's like, I don't want my film also to be something that divides people and lets someone out of a
Yeah.
club because of it. I think that's...
and
Yeah,
there are
dude.
filmmakers who make films with
Yeah.
that purpose
Yeah.
but I have never seen his films as that
Yeah, I love a lot of other films. Have you seen Socha? Obviously, I love Socha Na Tha.
Acha,
You've
I've
not
never
watched,
watched
no?
it.
Yeah.
What are your opinion
I
about?
love it. I
Yeah,
love
yeah.
it. In fact, I think he can even make it again with a better, bigger production. Like, I feel like it was a very raw film.
First,
in terms
no.
of, yeah.
Hmm.
ये है.
In terms of...
It has that innocence also and the
But like,
rawness
you know,
also.
shot taking, costume, art. There's one scene in it which is supposed to be day to night, but it's matlab day ही चल रहा है. They haven't been able to make it night. You know, things like that. So it's a little unpolished,
अच्छा
but I think it's a very strong story.
I also have a question because I have had an observation about just like how things work. Do you think females are much more of people pleasers than men, like inherently?
Inherently, I don't think inherently, but environmentally.
मतलब very nicely put. मतलब आपने मेरी इंग्लिश ठीक कर दी, मेरे को यही पूछना था.
Inherent मतलब अगर वो
Environmentally,
अपने आप से नहीं
but मेरे को
आता
ऐसा
है,
लगता है
but,
कि environmentally उनको ज्यादा उनके वो अड़चने आती हैं and उसकी वजह से because I'm very fascinated by people pleasing and if you'll see my film you'll see there is something related to that also in it.
yeah, I feel like I want to be less and less of a people pleaser because it's just not serving anyone.
On a scale of 10, where would you rate yourselves on a scale of people
should we
pleasing?
rate each other?
I don't want to rate you.
That's a 10. That's a 10 for me.
What? It's a 10?
Yeah, I'll forget what my needs are, I think sometimes.
Yeah, with certain people.
That's certain.
Now you've become better.
Yeah.
So I think 8.
Yeah, 8 is
Do
good.
you want water? Do you do anything like जो आप नहीं बोल रहे हवे?
नहीं.
What about you?
Will you say?
I think like a 6 or
Maybe.
5 even.
Yeah.
Now I don't think it was that
I think it's a little bit I think it's the opposite with us where if I don't know someone then I'm more people pleaser with them.
हाँ.
But if I know someone and I'm close to them then I'm not a people pleaser. For you it's like if you get close to someone then you become a people pleaser.
Oh.
And with random people you're okay.
Yeah.
What do you think on a scale of 10 how much of a people pleaser I am with the little interaction?
He seems like he would be on the higher side, no? A little bit.
Yeah.
Like an
Then I'm like maybe not.
7. 8.
Yeah, 7.
7 is safest, yeah.
I can tell you the rating. I think I have 1.
Really?
Wow.
Not a
Then you're
people
just a
pleaser.
nice person.
And- No. Because it can वो फिर उल्टी problems आती है ना जब आप हाँ जी नहीं बोलते तो लोगों को लगता है आप rude हो. So those are the problems I face when
You
you.
seem like a Hanji Hanji.
Rude.
अरे कहाँ हाँ जी आप तो पढ़ते आपको याद ही नहीं रहता हम क्या बात करते वो तो.
Not Hanji, but you don't seem rude.
Yeah, you
Like,
seem quite polite.
हाँ बट वो ही है कि some people might consider कि वो थोड़ा मैंने नो बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करी है जीवन में.
That's very good.
There's a book also, The Power of No. Power of Now and Power of No are different. So I think lot of people should read The Power of No.
I think मुझे no बोलने में प्रॉब्लम उतना नहीं है बट मुझे थोड़ा फेकनेस आ जाता है जैसे अगर I'm talking about something and I'm arguing a point but if someone else has some other point then I also try to be like okay I understand just like it's okay especially if I don't know that person but even though I don't understand or I don't want to say
I don't do it because मेरे को लगता है occupational hazard है नहीं तो मैं किसी दिन गलती कर दूंगा. Like if I pretend I liked a film which I don't because I have to speak so much and I have to be so attuned. I don't want कि मैंने एक जगह एक चीज बोली और एक
हाँ,
जगह अलग बोली. तो मेरे को लगता है
fair.
it should be consistent with every person.
yeah because I don't want to lie about it now.
Yes.
It's
But people do.
people do
in
of
Mumbai
course,
तो मतलब
of course.
Yeah. Mumbai people are shameless sometimes. Like,
and you know they are lying and you are also like and you know and then you're like इसका क्या solution क्या है?
नहीं है वो बोलेंगे चलो let's grab lunch. You know you will never grab lunch with this person. You just gotta go with it. Yeah, definitely.
Just,
Absolutely.
Make your face, like rehearse your fake smile. Yeah, I would say that's a good idea.
The thing is, everyone knows it's a fake smile. So
But
I don't.
I also know it's a fake smile for them. So मैं क्या-
100%.
yeah, ठीक है,
कर लो
करो.
करना ही होगा.
But I don't like going to events like that. Okay.
Let's go.
Can I fly like?
Yeah, please. Oh, man. But it's a good like plane.
It's a good plane, no?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. The paper's really good
yeah,
for this
I
stuff.
like the black one a lot.
Yeah.
तो ये मैं भाई मेरा जापान से consignment आता है. India में you won't find black sticky
Yeah,
notes.
I've never seen it.
Yeah. And we discussed the film हम on cam नहीं कर पाए Challengers. What do you guys think of Challengers?
I love
Quite enjoyed
I love
it. Yeah.
Challengers.
I watched it 3 times in the theater. I really love
I love the
Three
style.
times.
I love everything about it, and those are the kind of films. At least the direction sensibility of it
Yeah.
is very good.
Do you guys think Zendaya will feel overexposed after this year of releases?
I haven't seen Euphoria का जो भी latest seasons
That's fine,
चल
you're not
रहे हैं.
missing
So वो
out.
ये कि I can't मतलब मैंने इतना देख नहीं रहा, मैं still selected ही देख रहा हूँ.
Dune, Spider-Man, drama.
I haven't seen drama yet.
Oh,
हाँ, so because
you should watch it.
yeah,
Yeah, you should watch it.
What do you guys think of drama?
I enjoyed it when I watched it, and then the next day I watched Hail Mary, and I was like, okay, maybe I didn't like the drama that much.
I love Hail
Oh,
Mary.
I like drama more than the Hail Mary.
Yeah, so मेरे को just because इतने polarizing चीजें सुन ली मैंने ड्रामा के बारे में. Yesterday I met Rohan Joshi also. He's also like कि नहीं भाई देख तो ड्रामा
It's a fun film. I really enjoyed watching it. And performances. I love Robert Pattinson. So that's also yeah.
He's so endearing, you know.
and I love both the book and the film Project Hail Mary.
I've not read the book.
You
I-
should.
Oh,
like-
everyone's saying to read it.
Yeah.
Amazing guys. Is there anything I didn't speak about that you would like to talk about?
We have a podcast
No,
called
like
Why
that.
the Curtains Blue, and
Why is it called that?
As literature students, I think we keep going very deeply into like, was the author meaning this is a melancholic moment by saying that the curtains were blue, or was it just blue because it was blue? So I think that's where the thought came from, because like in movies, like people like you also will be like, "Ye kya? Kama kya tha? Ye kyun tha aisa?" So I think that's where the thought was, and that is kind of the purpose of our podcast.
yeah, and of course now there are a lot of people talking about Hindi films also, but there is still not nearly enough importance given to Indian films, and I feel like we wanted to do a deep
Yeah,
dive.
we
also
don't
wanted
do
to be
any
one of the
international
people
films.
who talk about Indian films in a way where it's given importance and we can over intellectualize it. And
So cool, dude. Like अभी we would want कि जितने भी लोग ये देख रहे हैं, like हमारे तरफ से जाके सब्सक्राइब कीजिए Why the Curtains Were Blue को, and जितने भी सब्सक्राइबर है उसके डबल करने हैं आपको, right? Like ये तो
नहीं, नहीं,
मतलब.
नहीं, हमारे
it's not that difficult. Do
not
it.
that tough.
Yeah.
So I hope you liked the episode. If you have watched the episode till here, use the hashtag blue और अपनी attendance लगाइए comments में. Go and subscribe to Eda and Karima's YouTube channel also, and we'll be back with another episode on Vaibhav Munjal podcast.